Yo, Lisa. You see me I look for you from when? How are you in there? So now you're woman.
So babes, tell me now, where you walk and look for me for?
I look for you because I can't find you. I decline me call them. I come up here and they say you live around us again now and I worry. So what happened,
Who tell you that?
Your neighbor them when you live in now. They say they live up there again.
Tell them to keep them nose to themselves.
So where they know how much they know?
Babes, you know, say me have to go on the road and me
have to... Go on the road do what? You not tell me where you go on the road do, babes?
No work.
Work? What kind of work? You never tell me say that work.
Work, me go work. I know chicken me a jerk. Work, me go work.
You not tell me what kind of work, babes. So me
so
know.
You want to know what kind of work?
Me have to know you are a woman.
Babes, come on.
You don't want nobody to have me with babes.
Stop going like I say, yeah.
Oh
babes,
God, man, babes.
Man.
Oh man, babes.
So me have to tell you everything me do?
I mean, babes, that's not true. Me I met babes. I know everything, babes. How are you?
Well, if you made me a cocoa head.
Yeah, you made me now look like a fool in the street in front of my friend them or something, you know.
So what gonna make you look like a fool?
And my friend them and the people them on me laugh and go all part off of me.
So wait then, our relationship now, based off of people.
No, baby, but
when you look me, you never tell me never see nobody.
True, that's still more, but I know.
So how now you gonna tell me about people?
True, I'm not busy about people, but you know people telling them people are gonna be people and talk.
Come on, man, you don't know say I'm a ride and die, you know?
Yeah, so God, man, days. Man, you know. God, no.
So hold on there. So you say, you come eat something?
Yeah, I come eat it tonight, you know.
But me tell you something. Me want the cucumber tonight.
Oh God, mama, cocky stiff.
Because I come like a beer tongue, you want tongue me out and done it.
Hey, mama.
You look like you want dry up everything.
I have a stiff cucumber, mama. As me look for
you want the cucumber.
As me look for you right now, God, pants one turn up, mama, right now. We have to go over yard.
You can't give me cucumber and stuff and go like you
come on, babes. Come on, babes.
You go on here. I done with all you know, done with this.
But what me do?
Done, I mean, Mr. Done.
But what me do, babes? What you mean by done with babes? What me do wrong?
My clothes are cup.
So baby, what me do wrong now, baby?
So what you want me tell you something?
But mama, me have to look so me put me head first before me put me something.
Listen to me.
Me have to wait before so me mouth first before. Then me give a stiff cucumber, mama. What do you?
If you go dive, what you go do?
Me don't want this something creep up, so me have to make sure so don't go
if you go dive, what you go do?
Me go dive. Me have to go head first.
Listen to me.
Mama,
me want the cucumber, me tired of you know.
So
me want feel like stickly, man. Me want ball. Me want feel pain when you... Yeah, them things them want feel.
Don't know, me forget some roots.
Every day you come back.
Me forget some roots, mama. I forget some roots down there, God no.
Me tired of the tongue. You know, that's why...
So me go in there and talk about in the days and I can't do it a step on the road. I'm supposed to make people pass and bring me down.
You know, that's why I decline your call, what dear?
Decline the call?
Ever know why me decline your call, what dear you? You that job down same place.
So you find a bad man on me?
You that job down same place.
You find a bad man on me?
Don't worry about that. So
me not good enough, babes?
You alone, baby.
No, babe, me not like how you said that.
You alone, don't worry yourself.
Me don't like how you said that, babes. God.
Don't worry yourself. You see, me need some action. Me need some action. You say if you give me some action?
Give me till tomorrow, babes. Now eat up some proteins and something, babes.
Where you gonna eat up?
And get some shake up a blending man or something. Strong up for you tomorrow.
You
mash
sure?
Up. I mean, mama, mash up that man.
You sure?
Make you have to walk steady like a crab tomorrow, me hold when you walk.
They make a good action for you.
Yeah, babes.
Alright.
Come on, like how you move, you know.
Me we see.
Alright,
me we see. Don't worry yourself.
Alright, babes. Now go down.
Anytime you can't find me, don't call my phone.
Don't call the phone?
Don't call my phone.
No, babes. I'm your man, babes.
Don't call my phone.
I'm here sleep at night time, so I have to know what you do.
I don't know what do. I don't know where my call me for, you know. I don't know where my bada me for. Tell me so.
My sister-in-law, man, you walk fast. You know, from when me I call your name, me couldn't catch up with you, man.
You must see me that talk to myself.
Hui.
But they are worry about your brother. Me I talk to myself, I come up and worry about your brother. One day say, one day if my right and one day if my eat good and, you know.
Yeah, man, him good. I had this him send for you.
Okay.
Send for you for, deal with your need for deal with and thing. Alright. But me not
Well, thanks.
because straight from town me carry the shits. Me have got run quiet. No, some need the toilet, man.
Sister, like the toilet bung up.
Me no mind about little bit of mess. Remember, me know the place.
Sister, like the toilet bung up.
Bung up?
Yes.
Me know what to do, man.
You can't use it, no smell good. It don't smell good, none at all. My God, if you go in there, you vomit. If you go in there right now, you vomit, all the house smell bad.
Alright. Me know you
right now, if me open my door, is a disgrace. You can't go in
so
there.
So you know, have the whole stink so as a woman.
Me I wait till the brother come back. Remember say me alone there,
But all the money must send you can't phone a plumber.
Me no want a plumber. I'm my plumber. Every plumber me need in the world.
No, man, it not tan good as a woman. It not
every
look good.
Plumber me need in the world is your brother. Me don't need another plumber. Me alright.
But me not tarry, cause me need me got Burger King or something or gas station.
Alright then,
need
take time go on.
Alright, take care.
See you on the road down here.
Take care.
Alright, and tell your brother say me love him. I me no want no other man,
How would that?
Oh, you don't know say landlord.
Landlord?
I landlord.
Oh. How would that thing?
You know, one letter, landlord write me.
Letter. Let me see it.
Me no pull it yet, babes. Me no pull it yet. Me no pull it yet. No, me alone for seat.
So, yeah,
I never you rent a house.
So, no, me there.
Me no business. You can't see this letter. This letter is very important. Very important.
Let me read the letter.
Me say a letter important.
I come make it already. Come in.
Me not read no letter. You know how much money me owe landlord?
How much?
If you know how much money me owe the landlord, you don't never know.
Come in the house, man, read the letter.
You see you there now and you not work, you have to go find work do.
Don't worry about that.
Me owe the landlord, you have to go find work do.
Come and read the letter. Follow me.
Well, me and you not read the letter, me alone I go read it. Go on in, man.
Take
I don't know why me care for read the letter. Me don't know you so enough. Yeah, what? But babes. But. This a place that. Suppose the landlord come in here.
What business about landlord?
Jesus.
So when you expect me
to name their road or we place dirty, nasty and chewed and dirty jazz, dirty underpants, dirty this and dirty that. Look there, look on the whole place.
What you expect
you
me
left all the TV on.
Then no must.
You don't know so we can't pay bills, babes.
Don't worry about that.
Jesus.
Landlord keep you.
Remember say you're not working, You not work. I have to dip on the road and hustle yes and hustle this and hustle this so.
You don't worry about that.
You not work, so you can't leave your TV on.
One time left it on.
See the elephant on. Babes.
Yo, come and read the letter, car.
Wait, man, wait. Take time, take it.
Make us a lie.
Babes, you don't know, so I surprise you. I surprise you, you know? We are going so.
You can't
so you know, so we have rent for pay, we have a light bill for pay, we have a water bill for pay.
So what we are doing with all of them money?
No pay bills. No pay bills.
So
what do you think we are going to do?
La get everything.
Every single penny. And we are going to buy a little food. You know, buy 2 mackerel and 2 sardines because we can't buy no meat. Because you know, so meat expensive.
A whole heap of money this, you know?
You know, busy about whole heap of money.
Big, we don't pay no bills. We don't want to pay no bills.
Babes, I go pay with bill.
No, big.
Come, baby, man, we go pay with bill.
This money in pocket.
See, you are going so.
Me say go on.
That's why I never want to give it, you know.
No.
Because I know, say, I won't buy, I want to go with you, you know.
Don't worry about that. Go and go work again, B. Bills not ready for pay.
Go and go work again?
Yeah, go on.
So you're not sorry for me? You go clean up your place?
Look how me clean up it.
You sure?
So me no more sure, B.
That's why I have to love you, baby.
That's why I love you too. Go and go. Want more money. This one more money.
So I have to love you, so, you know.
Go and go.
You know, so that's why I have to love you so later, baby.
Alright, B.
Love you.
Banga walk.
Love you, baby.
Banga
Look
walk.
good.
What you mean?
But
you don't need to look good for work.
So, baby, when we go on the road, what happened?
Oh. Remember say bills have to pay.
Me have to run 2 errands out them. Love you.
Love you.
Love you, baby.
Remember say bills have to pay. Yeah, love you.
You love me?
Yeah, man, me love you,
You
man.
not give me no bun.
No, wish bun.
Sure?
Yeah, man, me sure.
Alright, baby, kiss me again.
Yeah. And I love you.
Love you, sweetie.
Yeah. Love you.
Alright, take it. No done, you know?
No, sir.
No, but I spend no time.
Go on, man. Get more money, want more bills.
What?
Not a thing, bro.
You're right.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad to see you.
What happened?
Hey, that the place me just a come from.
I don't know if just a come for a run of fair yard. Come to go drop off one money.
Eh?
Yes.
You and me a real family.
Yeah, I see your daughter me dig it though.
Okay, alright. So she did it. And me go drop off money your father sent to.
You never feel like you didn't want to give me one little piece out of it. Because maybe a little money can't give me. I must money go give man. What's that? Right now, I want cut number 2. And me did say me go another day. I go cut number 2. Because I can't bother with the bush right now.
Better you go bush. Me just a come from bush.
No, you say me not trust the bush again. The last time I go in a bush, me scratch white.
Lord Jesus Christ.
Me don't feel like me want that happen again.
No,
I scratch crown out till a morning.
That should have scratch and burn out.
I smell for you and sit down in a hit.
You're not going to do that again.
No.
Use banana or cocoa leaf and that may just go
never did they?
Oh God,
yeah, so me still have to go another day. I did that ways. Whether I like it or not, I still got to go. So yeah, I'm
but
going.
Go bush first, cause the toilet bung. Me did one go too.
Oh.
And Alicia tell me say the toilet bung. And can't use
well, she
a bush.
Can't
Me
tell
did have
me
to go.
that. Well, I'll see your auntie. Take care.
Alright, good luck. Hold it tight.
You know, some hurry up and go down do. You hurry up and go come on, mommy knows something if you have to.
Eh.
Me have to go hurry up and go cause I told she can collect something. Me know and she knows something if you have. But the money when me get take time use yeah, my cousin come let you for a while ago.
Your cousin?
Yeah.
When I'm all pre man, we take time use it. And did one movie and still in a car. Just threw me a few work on and off. Like, me not gonna have no time to stay at home with her, so.
Okay.
When me have a time, like, fully like to that, when me comfortable, my life set, then me can think about the movie and then time there.
I hope so, no?
No worry ahead, man. Things take time. So, which side you go, you know?
Alright, may I go up later here?
I'm follow you go halfway?
Yeah.
Alright.
That man must think me an idiot. Me.
Hello.
Hello.
My yard open up.
Open up for what?
Cause me want to go use a bathroom. Me have to get to
go
the
use
yard.
My bathroom.
I don't feel bathroom.
My bathroom.
I do for you, Billy, so you cannot tell me nothing.
Oh. So you think your father pay the rent?
Me don't really care. I'm over there, my papa live, so.
And my bathroom you want to come use? So you live at your yard and come for want to use my bathroom?
Cause I want to, and I wasn't even at my yard.
She have attitude too. Well, my toilet is bung up.
Well, unbung it, cause me really and truly need
so how me I go unbung it and me I wait for your father to come clean it out?
Me they think I fear yard, you know. Me they think I fear yard.
You father I'm a plumber.
Shit them,
it's my plumber.
You
so me I wait for him to come clean it.
Oh, well.
So
look here. You say if other than today me I come make this like cause
hurry up and talk, you keep up my time and business around out, you keep up my time.
You say short and ugly like one calabash bowl. Sure. You say anytime I pop up
Father God, where this little
you can't find the word them. Either way, that's what did I say.
Because I would even say because me know why you go tell a lie for me.
You crazy, me not time.
Cause you're liar. Come, what you say now? Talk.
Me say,
I don't be push you out.
I thank God
push
for
out
every day. I thank God for that every day.
you mama black out and Jerry black up them bun up Kalalu.
Nothing wrong with that.
Look for me good.
You're short
Look
and
for me
tough,
good.
like. Me say anytime my father come now, you can't tell me no, you know, cause anytime my father come, I'll be ready for come over there. You can't tell me no else.
No way over there for you.
No.
No way over there for you.
No, but somewhere over there for me, papa.
Me know why you come germs up my place.
If you're not germs up in
Me know why you come dirty up my place. Finance you them see germs.
Oh, Friday see them see fungus and bacteria.
You know what you do?
What?
Go over yard. And go use your motor suck out the toilet and then you can use it. If not, you can't use it.
Work,
so just try to take time and go on, cause you make our business past me.
Kiss me teeth.
What? Why? Your cousin come? Kayla come see you?
Yeah, she coming.
Thank God. Me could I really do with the money. So where the money there? Me want to go catch the shop before the money is shop shut.
You know what I'm saying? She come with the money, but me did take one look what good on the road and come back up and me can't find the money like me last money.
What? What you mean you can't find it? A joke you make, man. Come. Me need to go shop quick. Shop soon shut. Give me the money. You know the joke.
Me walk go down the road no much longer and come back up and me can't find the money.
And a joke you make?
No.
Where you go with my money?
I down the road me did walk go look for something and me come.
Man!
No mommy.
It's only a one room winner, you know. How you can lose the money and why you take the whole money gone? Who said you gone road?
Me never want left in my house cause to make me do that work me never want leave it.
Mine spend the money, you know.
Come fi spend use the money. Me no buy no owe the money. I lost the money.
Jesus, Chaja. That's why, Jody, me tell you not to have too much man in by your head. You're too young for process them the things.
Mama, me not no man pa me head.
Hey, and me born yesterday.
Me not have no man pa.
So why you have by your head so lose that? Jesus.
Me did put in a so me did left in my waist and me carry walk go down on the road. And when me come back I look for him, me can't find it like me last see.
So hold on. Jody, if you did have it in your waist, and what you do with your clothes so some money drop out?
Me did feel like me want pee and me did go one night time go pee on the road.
Oh, where this picnic come from, yeah? Where this picnic? Wait, why you send me this picnic? A man, you go check.
No, mommy.
So what?
I shop me did I go come me did feel hungry. Me say me I go use a money you tight and buy something for eat till you come.
Me send you for buy nothing? Huh? Me send you for buy nothing? What you mean you gonna take a little money outside? You ask me?
Yeah, me hungry and me say
so you not have phone, me put credit on your phone. You not phone me and ask. Jeez. You lost some money for true. Tell me it's a joke you make.
I lost some money for true.
I don't know me I gonna do no. That's why I must say concentrate on your book. Pick up your education and take man off of your head. You know, so you can't juggle the two things. You know, me can't manage, man. Me can't manage. Really lost the money? Chaja.
Yeah, you look so stressed out. Sit down.
Oh, me look so stressed out. Look for me good.
How I go on?
So the little time me left the yard where you there, where you are come from?
Oh, that you stress over and I worry your head.
That me a stress over.
I go check my cousin and worry your head.
That me a stress over.
So you look, walk out there.
So you go check your cousin for what? For what?
No,
What is it?
No worry.
What's so important?
Me get money. No worry, me get money.
You get money?
Me no must get money, B.
You get money?
So why you feel me left yard?
Then
You feel say me I'm gonna left yard if I no money?
no worry yourself. Me not talk about that again. You get money where you get money from.
No, my cousin just bust me for no money.
Just so?
Remember a long time we are
That don't sound good.
No, long time we are bar and things are going for her. She remember how good them used to do for her, so she called me for her thing.
Babe, that no sound good enough. That's still not.
Stop doubt me.
Is a she? Me not just say I know woman, you know. Me not just say I know woman at all.
Yeah, trust me.
Me not just, me not have no more man, you know. I only man me have.
No,
the
no,
only one man when me have in my life, me can't lose you. So, your cousin is a woman.
Yeah. It good when me.
And you go check her.
Yeah, for
and she give you money.
Yeah. She call me because the things that me used to do for her.
Babes, you know some man sell them cocky now. Man sell them cocky now, you know.
B, you know me love you, you know, B.
That not sound right. Man sell them body too. Just like a woman them.
You know, I sell it to none of my family them.
That not sound like a family. Family now get how much money you get?
Come here, go in the house.
No, me want to see it now. Me can't go in the house now.
Come on, be too. You know, say too hard. Yes,
Baby, me not go in the house. Me want to know how much money you get. Me ear want to do, you know. You know, say me ear want to do. And my nails want to do.
Give me 30,000. You have a rich man.
So if me get 10 out of it for do my hair, 10 for do my nails.
No, you want so much.
Then
how you want too much? 20 what?
When you pick me up, do my ear do?
Yeah?
Do my nails them do?
Yeah?
Do my toe do?
So you want 20 out of 20?
So you never ask me say how much for do it? Me expensive, woman expensive.
No, right. Probably you can call more next time for more money.
And plus, if me go in a house, you know, you go and you have to give me money.
Yeah, so that's a 20. You have left me with something, you know. You have left me with at least 5 grand.
That unfair.
No.
That unfair.
Take 20.
What you go do with money? What you go do with money?
No,
and food in the mackerel in there, no? And rice in there.
Just
and look at aisle.
More pocket money, spending money.
No. When me make money, me give you. I want the whole of that the money there.
Yo, no worry. I'm a man in a relationship. Yeah, you're lucky I get 25. I should have 5 I get.
One in the house, man. Come on, my start. One in the house.
Yo, no do them thing there, man.
Oh, you mean say no do them thing there? You go on. Go on in the house.
Oh, babes. Sorry, man, calling.
Why, my baby?
Yeah, man.
So when you come down?
Since
when you come for...
Since the boss.
So how you never call me and tell me that? Say I come?
No, I remember to my boss tell me say when I'm bad, I go back up. Stay up there, somebody just come down with him.
You know say you not go on good. You not go on good, you know. So why make you could call me and tell me say you come?
Me ne have it on mind because me I get the free
drive. So you mean say you ne have it on mind, babes?
Me tired right now, I go later.
No, hold on.
Huh?
Your sister never tell us say toilet bung up there?
They want that.
And it overflow and stink up the place. I be a cockroach and rat and then sitting there up there.
So you want to tell me something?
No, me no want you up there. Just wait for me down here, so wait for me.
Now wait right there.
Me call your phone. Just
now
wait for me
right
down there, so. Just because you should have, I blame you. Right, you should have called me before you come. Boy, you come, eh? How you want to come do? Come look what me I do? You go on, me wise are you? You are idiot, and there's nothing to come. Say.
Boy.
Why? I don't know why she takes so long. Look what happened with that man.
Well,
yes, you come back.
We never know see her come. You never tell me see her come back.
We get a little money yesterday still, but we never want, you know, so me did come down to the cars. Kind of like the mood to come down, you know. Come surprise the moms and buy her this. Buy downtown. I bend down market, me just buy it for a little price, you know.
Nice.
I buy this here second hand, but it can't go on. They work still, charge up the phone,
it work good.
And
so we had to stand up here before you reach home?
You know, see, I was bus in the lane, and my woman, me see tell me say the toilet bung up and out the stink and road, so if we stay down until to clean up the place and run out the road, so me just turn up right there. So
Hold on. From as long as me know you, you're not Freddy.
That's true.
You're not Freddy. Since when's one little digga cockroach can frighten you from your own yard?
And that, you know, they come to my mind, they pick up and I take notice of it.
No, sir, something funny, something fun. And she still not clear the toilet. She stopped me from going there, you know, because she tell me, said,
So how long the toilet walk up?
Toilet bang from when you send the money and I go get that.
No, man, we have to go.
Yeah, man.
Come on, I have to go there, man. No.
Shut up there, scream, no.
Alright.
Me don't know what me I go tell him say. No, some I forgot to get all this money, master.
How do you mean? How many carrots?
Babes, you don't know say you have to go pack up and left, you know?
I lie I tell.
My father come here right now. And me can't make him come see you kind of used to you.
Can't make. Why ain't we do?
You know used to you, having gun and sit now, idiot, you know he will shoot you.
So
He not nothing in sense.
I'm not willing to take a gunshot for you.
No, me know why you dead for me.
Alright.
Me love you too much, you make you dead.
You have to go start come on my yard then. Because I can't bother with this. So you have to go start. Me I go for my things. So.
Go for your things then, man, car. Make case. Hurry up, babes, hurry up. If you don't pack everything, throw some man underneath the bed. Hurry up, man, hurry up.
So think your father alone have gun. We will kill your father too, you know. We will murder him.
You know say I go too far now.
So you go too far.
Yeah, I go too far now, you know. Make case I come out with the things, man. Let me say my father come. Hurry up and come out with the things. Make case I pass me, man. Make case I go on, hurry up here. And nobody call me later.
Come there, me go. Oh boy.
Make I go down the road, go call him.
Call me what? You think me there turn up long so long?
But Jesus, baby, I already reach up here.
You know how long it takes to see all midnight and I come down.
Nearly must make my heart drop out.
With what?
Lord Jesus.
If I never be poor sister, when I turn up long lane for like me, I eat that. I don't remember saying me one whole.
You frighten me, no?
How me frighten you?
And when you reach us, so?
You know, left me 2 hours go down the road.
They me tell us if you stay down the road, me so come, babe.
Somebody if you still stay.
Me so come, so...
And something you try from me?
No, I'm surprised. Me do want to surprise you. Me do want to fix up something nice for you and all then something there. Surprise me do want to surprise you.
So you take more toilet punch you?
I joke me and make.
I joke me and make, baby.
I joke me and make. You see, and you come in not even hug me up, you not even say nothing.
How you tell my sister?
You know say I move like you're guilty or something. You look like you're guilty or something, you know, baby. You're guilty or something.
You see, when somebody guilty about, then put the blame on you.
Me that
the other day,
guilty or what?
Come here, when you come give me the money, forgive her.
Hey, stop! Don't tell a lie, pa me. No tell a lie, pa me.
She never tell you.
Look how much trouble, man.
When you lie, lady.
La.
I can't lie, I have bad memory.
You know say I my man I take care of me, make you go on so. You know say I look money when give you what they strike your eye can't come give me. I strike your eye no woman.
Brother, if you can't see something wrong with this,
tell us if you go on. Let me take it back. Let me take it back. But this
road for 2 hours. Road for 2 hours.
Let see my man come. For make me and him live a good life. So why you come mash you up?
Me no mash up nothing.
Don't try to come mash up. Don't try to come mash up me and my man life now. See that my man buy me all teddy bear. See there? I'm going to see where in a bag for me now. I'm in no same pocket full of money now.
Me no business.
So where you try to come mash up me and my man life? Are you brother but me a woman? The Bible say he that find it a wife, find it a good thing.
Woman you be.
We confused.
Just one.
Okay.
Different from God, one.
Ones.
That different from God, is my only man me have in my life.
Yeah, that's it. The only man in our life.
The only man in my life, and I don't want no other man.
No other man.
Look, my man buy teddy bear, come give me. Look how he nice down, he nice down. He nice down. Don't he nice? Tell me if he nice. Go on your yard.
Open your
Destruction, woman, go on your yard. Before neighbor here, all of that sit there.
No, man, listen to me, man.
I see say you walk and not talk, they sit there.
She could not bang tile.
What are you? Stop scandalize me. Come, babes, come. We have a lot of makeup to go do. Listen. Don't listen to she. Focus on me.
My sister.
Make she go on. Focus on me, yeah, baby?
Oh, focus.
You love me?
I love you, but...
So we are listen
blood
to she.
thicker than water, you know?
Blood thicker than water? And who can... Babes, who can deceive him on your own family?
You're right, you too. You're damn right.
Make she go on where she go. Cuss her out. Make she go on. Go on, yeah. Oh, Jezebel. Go on, yeah. Hey, don't come back here.
You love me for sure?
If me love you?
Yeah, man.
I don't love her negative.
Me not better go to town. Yeah, me a stay and
turn right, yeah.
Yes, babes.
Right, yeah. Me you not live. Make she go on. Oh, jay up foot, man. I could have this call me. Hello? Yeah, me so come. Me help my father do something. My father do something and come. No worry yourself, man. Me I come, man. Me I forget what I need today. Alright. Babes!
Oh God, I'm tired. I back past a yard. Boy, I have to look on if you say. I so long me did I turn for man.
So how long do you know? Me I call you how long? Me I call you for me. This is because I must about 100 times.
I couldn't hear. But anyway, you straight up a place. All the money when me send.
So
all the money when me send.
Let me even go look.
You don't make no sense to go look, cause it's a mess. And let me talk about it.
Lord, my man I clean up pretty though.
Eh?
They clean up place.
Yeah, because I have to left from town, come down, come deal with all of that. I told me out there, I fret too much, and I just decide to come down with my boss, you know? I could have go and turn up there and go and print and get all the work. Huh?
Can you borrow up yourself?
You come in, no, boy, no, for me. Oh.
Me not answer me no one crawl upon
But nice though, soon full. Anyway.
We can make porridge.
You make breakfast?
It's nice. You like how you plant up a place in nice. Look like.
You make breakfast?
You know something never make you breakfast, babes.
Why?
Why?
So why you just where you go?
You know stay up on the road, me I go do some hustling. Me I go look something for do this morning.
You don't need for work. Me a the man. But we go, they go work.
Baby, come on now. Remember, you know, you have rent for pay, you have water bill for pay, you have light bill for pay. And then someday you have to buy food. I remember say, me have to do my ear, me have to do my nails. And then someday, me a hot girl a road.
Oh boy. It's really rough. I don't really want you to go there, no. God, no. I don't really want you to go there.
You know, so you look like you turn mama man for me.
Oh. I love you.
Yeah, everything when me do, you just watch me. Eh?
Tell me if you watch you.
No, watch me. Don't watch me.
Let me ask you a question. How if you watch you?
Look here, you not have no purpose under the sun for watch me.
Yes.
No, babes, you not have... Babes.
Any man...
You have no purpose under the sun for watch me.
Listen, no.
Look.
Yeah, you hear me say? Any man when I watch the woman is a really idiot. We have to protect you.
From what?
From the vibe.
The sunlight? The breeze where I blow?
Even that. You want me to go for your umbrella and hold you over there and walk with you?
No, me know why you walk with me. Oh, you figure walk with me, you want me to get you walk?
Oh, true.
You want to say me man the back of me and watch me pee clock so they not give me no walk?
Oh, true.
Look at babes. Just stay in our yard. Go and clean up your yard nice for me. And them kind of something there. You understand what I Later when me I come.
I'm cook dinner. What are you coming from work?
Me no know yet.
If you get the work. My sister the pan in way still come check me. So but if you can go on.
So all you do, you just cook my dinner. And so me I go buy one nice sexy lingerie for you when me I come here.
For me or for you?
Just up in here, just up in here.
Oh, you're frightening me.
You don't love that?
Yeah, but when you hear you say you go buy one sexy lingerie
what color me for buy? What color me for buy?
Any color you like. As long as
you
it's
like
sexy.
Blue?
No, that'll turn me off. Yeah.
Alright.
Pink. Kind of buy blue, me go think a man.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
So you come back. So, wait there. How your sister not reach out? You know, tell me.
No, man, you never knew. You can go on. Go on now.
Me can go on?
Yeah.
You love me?
I love you. That's why I say you can go on. I will change your mind.
You know, you're only man me have, so you don't have to worry yourself. Just fix it. How sweet, so.
When I hear that,
alright.
You're only man.
Anytime you see, you know, so what do you? Me see your daughter out there, so you tell me nothing about some bad word.
I must lie to you.
Curse me out here?
You wait till me see him today.
He tell me say, how me dirty and stink.
I go and jape him up and give him 2 out of me.
He say no what for him that they do with this little suck out here. You know, eh? You don't know where you see pa me.
That shit there talk.
And that little girl I rank with me.
Alright.
So if you tell him say come over here. Come go take out all of the food stuff where you have.
Me tell her that I have send money go give
them. So hungry.
No worry yet.
Alright.
Go on before you get fired.
Alright, baby. Love you.
Love you more.
Love you, sweetheart.
Yeah, love you more. Mwah.
Alright, later.
Morning, my sister-in-law. You good?
So tell me something. I was so good about the morning.
What do you?
I was so good about the morning.
You know, rise.
Morning a common courtesy. So you never have to pass and tell me morning. A common courtesy that. You never have to pass and tell me morning. Where you come tell me morning?
Hey, my girl, you drop down and lick your head. What do you say?
Because everywhere me there go about my business, are you that? So it seems like I say,
young lady,
it seems
and
that
you move in the lane, you know. Blood bring me in this lane. A fuck bring you in this lane. And you come in the lane, come see me and my family. So
how you do? Jealous of your brother fuck?
I don't want you.
What you do? Jealous of your brother fuck?
Me am a lesbian. And furthermore, me have taste and style.
So what you want to say?
Married.
Me man have taste and style.
With the ring.
My man have taste and style.
Put a ring pan it. My man put
no ring pan it. Me put a ring pan this. He not put no ring pan his finger.
Ring pan it too. How we are deal with so? Let me tell you, my girl, this is my
because
lane.
my girl, everywhere me turn in this lane, are you. I just you. So we're there.
Born in this. So I mean for hiding in my lane.
Okay.
For that.
Okay.
You think
I see.
You talk
I
to girl.
see.
You think so me name Popeye? You think so me name Popeye? The way you
so what my name for?
Me see the way you deal with my brother. And the way you deal with my brother, you can't
every
deal
time
with
any man have a problem, are you that appear out of nowhere? You are magic fly? You are magic fly?
Every time problem there, you are the common denominator.
Jesus Christ.
You are the problem. There's no problem in the lane before you come. Miss Mattress Girl.
Are you that appear?
Miss Mattress Girl. You think so your name not think out a road too? I mean, nah, make you.
Me a man trash, but you not lie down for me. Your man not lie down for me.
You lie with dogs, you get
your man full of germs like a dog. Lie down for me. Hey,
in a mind.
You know say.
Talk to yourself.
I in my telephone, I can't watch me, you know. You.
What if I watch? What
the you for watch? I in my telephone, I can't watch me.
You have time for watch your dirty. Hey, go watch yourself.
One way I go, your shape bad like all.
At least me a shape.
Your shape bad like when hot oil touch back.
You know about it. You're looking at the mirror.
You go on. Stop walk and watch me.
Brother.
Huh?
You good?
Yeah, so far, sis. How everything?
Why am I not so good?
Why?
Are you me come for check?
What happened to you now?
What kind of crosses woman you bringing here?
What do you mean by that?
Huh? She not know manners.
No, me not understand that.
Right you know, me not lie to you, brother. I'm pissed off. And I through you, me not fully disrespect her, you know.
But what really happened?
Me pass the dirty Diraz woman out the street. Me say, morning, my sister-in-law. What's so good about it? And I give me dirty look.
You sure I say I feel me woman you pass, I tell her that?
The same one that make you turn up out the street for 5 hours.
Nobody remind
Right?
me about that now, sis, man.
And I come chat fat say, she gonna work. What work you ever see she do? Not even dumpling me see she that I need.
He shot me this morning. Me run her back to the look on the place, cause all the money when me I send come down, she not use the money clean up the back part, pay somebody to clean up the back part. But me I look on there and I say, why you have to go work? A man to work. Although me understand that woman want to be independent. But sometimes when you can't too trust them, you know, allow them to go work. Me from a noir, she never yet want to work.
Not even dumpling that they want need.
No, you can't eat dumpling. Last time
You feel look into things, Papa.
last time she need some flour, give me. I the fork she use and drop in the water.
Lord God, a potato dumpling that there, mashed potato.
But I saw you go, my fault. Although she better than the last one.
Yes, anything beat that they want.
Because the last one, I tell him say, put on the rice on the fire, Mama. Boy, I never let him talk about that, sis. Mama throw 1 pound of sugar in the white rice.
Remember, man are cooking.
Maybe that's good. I
frozen.
should go get the last one turn in a rice porridge. Because me didn't want the disgrace. I told me didn't want the disgrace for him.
Are you, I saw me Kim again, you know, cause brother, me remember when you did tick, you know.
What?
Lord God, you still a recover still, you come round.
But I'm a woman still and he say want to go work. But he work.
Papa, you feel look into things. Hey?
Look into things how?
She have your name out stink out the road. I tell me, say, you know, want her work, and yeah, watch her like mama, man, and how you send me for watch her, and how me, and I disgrace me too. She don't know me and who she don't know with family.
And that she a talk for road.
That's why me I say, what kind of crosses you bring ya? Hey, look into it. She stopped me from going to feed your house when you're not there. She stopped your daughter from going to your toilet when you're not there. Kakafad, she chest even high. But how you not believe it? She stopped you for how many hours from coming to your own house?
Cause you see the road and the toilet.
What road you see when me and you come up here?
No.
But she.
No.
What toilet? I saw she good, so she couldn't fix the toilet for the how much weeks you're there away. And the day you come back, it only take her 5 hours to fix toilet, 2, 3, whatever hours. And she couldn't fix it the whole time. Look into it, Papa.
I'm not looking into it, my sister. I'm not looking into it. I just say go. It's when you're in love, we just fool. I just say go. But, me don't know. Me have to just allow myself to trust her. Right? That's the best way. Trust. If you don't have trust in relationship, it won't work.
That's true.
No matter what. If you don't have trust, relationship cannot
And a
work.
relationship.
Huh?
And a relationship if you don't know trust.
Right. And I learn to trust her. So,
Trust with your eyes open though. Me not say trust, cause me agree with everything you just say, you know. Cause the watch thing are gonna make people sick in them head. But have your eyes open at the same time. Certain things are wrong, your son, alright.
you see my daughter from morning? I don't have your yard near there, you know. I go and jape up her and give her 2 bucks.
But for what?
Cause she diss me woman. Style me woman. Huh?
He no normally do that. She full of manners.
Right, so I don't understand why you want to try style my love. Remember, you know, for your mother diss me, you know. For your mother carrying man and put man on the bed bottom, you know. And when in the night, me a bungie a jar.
Remember.
And me cover up my woman head with pillow to realize if I see a draw the bungie. And I say, no man, something not right here, so. And I go check my daughter room and I realize, I know my daughter draw bungie. So me now go for my flashlight and shine it under the bed them. Boom, my hand for my bed them and there. 2 on asleep. Eh? Me could have got prison that night because the machine is well sharp.
I'm proud of you though, my brother. I'm proud of you.
Me just say to him, say, bossy, you what? Me just chop you up, but just take up my woman and go on with him.
I'm proud of you, my brother.
You don't go in night. Go on with him. I'm just send him out and put out my daughter the next morning. Say, go on with your mama. Because I saw the mother, I saw the daughter. I don't want the daughter to boy come to my house.
You can't use that there. Me know it's her mother, but you can't use her fact for I can. The dirty girl, did I give you example and I give you a sign? Woman have intuition. You feel listen to woman when woman come talk to you. Things not right, Papa. Look into it. Trust, yes, but trust with your eyes open. And ask Kate, me know how your temper tan, you know? Me know how your temper tan. So you see when you see Kena, ask her and talk to her first. Here?
All
right, me gone.
All right.
Little more.
Yeah.
All right, little more.
Up on the road, me I get ready to go, you know. Check my daughter. Hold up.
Hey, baby.
What's up?
Me there.
Good.
So what you there do?
Yeah, I scroll through the internet.
Where you look for? Girls?
No, your mother don't look for girl. I have them on machine. Can't have them on
But every day they on your phone and every time I look in there, girls me see you look for.
No worry about that. You don't worry about that. Just
me know you look for another woman.
Just know say none of them not get me attention. Like
But
you.
say nice, you know.
So you know bring the money for me.
Tomorrow I bring money for you, man.
So I don't think you're link your father.
Maybe tomorrow I bring money for you. Don't worry yourself.
So you say I'm gonna go something. I'm gonna go and do something. And how long I'm gonna get it? Say cause you're dirty power come back.
You don't know that the man there who you know. Me not tell you say you know fi. Look at babes. Me tell you over and over. Me tell you over and over, babe. But we call you. And we text you. Because you see my father?
Yeah.
I want a serious man, you know?
So me don't want a serious man to be.
You don't know my father who?
You don't know me at how.
Them the man there. You can't play with the man there, babes. But don't worry yourself. Just we call you.
No, me want peace first before you go. But you will call me. I want peace.
Baby, I forgot.
No, you're mad. You want from 5 minutes. You know me I come now start 5 minutes. Come here.
You know some feel say you play me. Every time I come here, you just want jump in a bed and
a long time.
I want me so.
Tap and I go take time talk now. A long time.
Every time that's me come here, you just want.
So me not think that I come check me for.
Baby, you love me?
So me no must love
Mine and tricky, I trick me, you know.
The tricks are for kids.
Tricks are for kids. Baby, you know say I'm a Tom, I'm a Jerry.
Yeah, come on, no one, tell me no one.
So you just a skin off your teeth like some circumcised body. I want to you.
Yeah, come on, we're going and shit. Me know your father.
I don't like your style, you know. Actually, you know I love you, you know.
So me no love you too.
Chill. Come on.
You take too long. Come on.
Hurry up.
Come on.
Hurry up.
Yes, man. Now you me look for. Come on.
Where you look for me for?
You know, so I there come for me tired.
Oh, me come up for your yard.
Where you come from here for?
So me know you put them in a can come up there?
Anyway. I 2 bucks.
Wait, hey, let it go with this for.
Listen me. Answer my question, you know. Why the backside
Put it down.
Where you tell people now? I feel me hand.
Me not joke out me eye. Them everything you find problem with. Her answer to man.
Where the face with no man for?
Oh, me?
I thought boy she shape bad.
Hey, look here. I only said one thing to her and I don't think it was that bad. But if you remember when I tell him say yesterday, diarrhea catch me a road and I couldn't shit in a bush. And me say me I come over your yard because I did the cluster yard. This big ugly woman I come tell me say no, me cannot come over the cause the toilet bung up. Every day the toilet bung up like you can't unbung or you can't plunge the little Sunday when I toilet. Every day, like go me man, you choke me. Sure. Every day, man, if you not in all time, I say me a jacket. You say me ugly like you. Every day, oh, you like a jacket, enough to come over there, enough for this, enough for that. I be that then tell me every day, if you see me par road, in walk on in yard, if you couldn't cut me in a 2, then cut me in a 2.
My woman running from my yard.
No one big red ugly woman you got up there, sir.
So you did this, sir?
Me not this, sir, me I tell you. Every time, I will happen again, and this woman like him did a come off of me lick.
Off of you lick. And what you do for she after you leave?
I don't do her nothing. She tell me say how she don't like me and how you don't like me and you don't want me over there. That's why you kick out my mom out of the house and whatsoever. I pay them then.
So that's she a chat.
Yes.
And I go on like that, you come there this time?
Yes, and you see if you grab it, you just grab me. See if you never come pop up. I done shot your 2 box back, you see?
When? How? What time?
Oh.
Hello.
Wow.
You come like you see some plastic where you like. You see plastic where you like.
Yeah, you see one where you like to, cause you just walk up, you don't even greet your pitney. You come, you don't even come look for your pitney, you don't even hug up your pitney, you don't even do nothing. You don't even bring back nothing for your pitney. You don't even see you from you come, and you come grab up people.
Buy one bowl and one bag juice. Can't see my name, bring back something for you.
Look here. Me I know you nothing. Y'all send money come get home and what about your pitney?
I dash me 150. I dash me 150. You know how much people me send this to Africa, you know how much money this over there.
I don't really care. If you want to hold it on me, you can care go to Africa. And look here, use it feed yourself, cause your woman can't cook, so you must have it for hunger. Use the 150 there and buy bowl on you, because you really and truly wanted that, you're not telling a lie. Look how your marker. Look how you flimsy. This shit used to be belly skin pan you, look how you long now. Boy, you suffer more than me.
So not only me woman them have this me.
Who's woman them? A facts and this a facts. There's a difference between dissing and stating the facts.
You know, some feel like you have me because I put out your mama.
No, so I don't have you up because sometimes I can't bother with shit.
Oh, come on, if I wrong, you go wrong me if you put out your mama if you have man under my bed bottom.
I'm not really business that I feel and fear problem. I don't really care about you. Nah.
And the reason why I need to put you out the next morning, I don't want you can man go in the back room. Because they always say anything what the man do, the daughter will follow. Anything what the pa do, the boy will follow.
Kiss me teeth. Which world you live in? Which year you live in? Them the years that done long time, man.
2025.
You know your body in 2025, but your mind everything it don't reach 2025.
Anyway, where they come from me Alpha?
No, they just say me here say you're rich and you never call look for your pitness. So I did call look for you, but I guess I see you here so I can turn back and don't have to look for you anymore. Come. Fling out whole heap of money because you just come from work. You can't even say no money. Unless if you use a give that woman there up there so you know, and you know, give your pitney none. So you don't hello at me.
My woman gonna look work.
Kiss me teeth.
You laugh. She gonna look work.
You can't even take care of the work. Them in the yard, the outer road, them go can't take care of work.
Maybe two might get paid this so you work and people job.
I want work missing good another so you can't leave him. I want know he's still player. He can't do nothing else more. So probably at the top of work they gone out the road. Who knows?
Your auntie is the same, you know.
I know the same. Great man,
no man can't cheat on me again.
Great man think alike.
Me wise up. No woman can cheat on me again. You hear that? Me wise up.
You're so delusional, trust me.
You know I'm so delusional,
You're very delusional.
Alright, you go on wait.
Work.
Where you come from?
Mommy, I'm on the road here.
Pan the road? How you love road, so?
So, mommy, I just don't listen me. I go and come back now.
Me just come from the house. Nobody try style me and you never did it. So again, me say, where you come from?
Me go look for one of my friend in the road.
You love road and thingy? And you not even make me know? You have phone. That's why me buy your phone. Me have phone.
No credit on my phone.
Stop tell lie. Me make sure you have credit the whole time.
I'm plan done.
Little girl, you full of lie, full of answer for everything. Eh? Let me tell you something. At 17 you be, not 18 yet. You're not big woman yet. You're still under my roof and under my care. Anything happen to you on road or in our house or out of house, I'm a response. Yes. You might think some me being miserable, but it's for safety too. And my days when me I grew up, you know, are rough days now. You see people face, you know, see them heart. Me must can be able to say, Lord God, make it not go so. But girls are gone missing, a girl picnic that gone missing now. I truly love you and me care for you. Me love you, you know. As miserable as you see me be.
So me love you too, mommy.
Exactly. Me know say you's a young girl with feelings, you know. So all me I say, me not want you bring in no belly for me, you know.
Mommy, me go get belly from.
You think say me never used to make excuse when me young? Me know what excuse mean, you know. Me an idiot.
Mommy, me just go up the road, go check on him.
No. Hey, my girl, you alright?
Yes, you know, say we are come on the car, I say I must see her mouth.
You're born in my mouth. What you chat say?
No, you know, so me see the day up there, so. And this one I can't up there.
For what?
But he say, he woman say me, this her, that he woman I tell him, say I'm a keep over her cover up there.
Me no know what devil take that with the woman, you know?
Me neither, I don't even know where it come from.
Me meet her to street and she want open her mouth to me. Me have to make she know who me be and me and not papai.
Well, I did say something to her, but I not thinking it that deep. I did tell him something that I said, I didn't even know where my papa get him from, something like that. I didn't even remember myself.
You did disrespect her?
No, what she first, she told me say me a jacket or whatsoever. As how me no fi go over my papa yard. That place them I tell me say, yeah.
Hold on. Tell me something. You get to the toilet bong too, or you get the rat story?
No, me get the toilet part.
What is?
The whole toilet bung up over there or whatsoever. I cannot use it. And guess what? Me go over there go use the bathroom and I never bung. Me just never tell that that cause I feel good now.
Me see your papa when he come home. At 2 hours straight, she have him at the end of the mouth to the lane and wait.
Yeah,
because rat in there and the toilet bung. And she couldn't fix it all this time, but she fixed it so.
Yes. I can't feel though. So, I want you crucify she born now.
Go on a road without my permission.
My dear, and the best thing that time not happen to you, she police a call her up.
Thank you.
Besides, you should have glad and you should have just tell her willingly, cause you know why? You see my papa no? My papa will time me anyway. I don't know how he do it, he find me anyway I come back and jump me go back on my yard.
Cause we care.
So if you know what you can do, you can save yourself and you can just tell her where you're going and when you're going out. Simple, not that hard. And that's the best thing to do.
Me go get belly from.
Me I warn you.
In just a teacher, nothing wrong with that. Are you just take it wrong with you?
All me I say is even if you have your little feelings, cause me did young once, believe it or not. I mean know what feelings is. You use condom, cause you can't tell me say you're a virgin. Me I'm a fool.
What kind of argument them?
The kind of argument are the mothers and fathers who not pitch out to them picnic them like this. Come here and I wear them belly, cause them belly come in. You use protection?
I mean, I do nothing.
Alright, well if you not do nothing, know about protection. I hope you have protection in them and I'll send you for go do nothing. But if you use your head and not just belly, disease out there too.
Yes, mommy.
Alright. Make sure you know what you do.
Alright, me I go do.
Love road too much.
Well, in a while, we are finding you take that out. Remember you did young and wild when we did look up.
That's why me I try talk to her.
So,
you know,
make she, according to her, make she know she do. You have to give her a little freedom to lift him up. Because if you continue going so now, guess what? He might go be sneaky. He might go and go out and go tell her anything. You have to understand she too. Remember say, you say you did young one to stay now. I'm sure no say when you did that go out then time there, you never really want your mother knows. So yeah.
Well anyway. That's true.
Yes.
But boy, me just don't want nothing to her, man. Me no want nothing. Me no want her go through what me go through. Right. Me face it the hard way. But hopefully, cause me a nag. But like me love how you talk to her. Right. So maybe she'll listen to you, cause we're generation.
Yes.
Alright, me I go.
Yeah, me I go for you.
Ah, come with baby.
Enjoy yourself, babes.
So I must enjoy myself. You can ask that.
So I not ask you because one of the time you just zone out, so.
Zone out. I would go that way.
You never make me nice. You never tell me so baby nice and them thing there. But first I usually tell me how we nice and them something there. What you going so now?
You're not nice and no sweeter.
You sure?
Then I must.
That's how I know say you love me, you know.
So I feel love you.
Boy, may I tell you. That's why I have to spend money on you, so, you know.
Then I must.
You think so? Why may I tell you? I sleep, I'm always sleep. I not go say nothing.
Oh.
I not go say nothing.
So you say I go now?
Yeah, me I go once when me I go get back, when me I go get another sort out.
Every time I come back.
Wait.
If I have later, it don't matter.
Babe, that one here. Me I go home go dream about that one here. Me I tell you.
Everything I go and go do, man. I think, I dream, I sleep, I walk, go to.
I don't kiss up on your mouth today, because your mouth think of smoking. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright, baby, bye bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me have to go where you know.
Alright.
Yeah, time I run out. Remember, you know? Remember?
Yeah.
Your money.
Something I must remember.
So you say?
Yeah, just plan that.
So you go buy with you. What you want money for do?
Just come whenever we get in. Tell her.
You know me not like your style, but don't like your style. Boy, me I tell you that's why you see. Me no want that the man there my yard, you know. She be
Boy,
sort out nice.
slim body aware. Them spend on me collect.
I wonder if me hear something.
Ah, who she?
Oh, look at that girl. Who you drop your word for?
My girl, me never see you know. You notice?
Me really come closer, cause I look like I say. Where you see a while ago?
Me say I did not see you. What happened?
Who has spent and who a collect? Who has spent? Me don't like to know who has spent.
Madam, I was talking to myself.
But it look like you look somebody for tell your business.
My girl, me
Because look at me not take chat.
You the pan
Anyone hear argument, be easy to get up in my feelings, you know, girlfriend. So,
me no know up to your feelings, but me I walk on the right, me I walk on the left and you walk on the right, and you just stop me. You hear me? I talk my business.
anybody hear ya?
Side of it.
Anybody hear ya? Come here.
Please stop me for correct.
So yeah,
It's
who?
me time. You don't need to know that. I don't know me and you wrap up.
Hey, let me tell you something.
Now listen.
We just take something and lick in your face. You hear me? I tell a girl?
Then
You
now
look
you
like
just
you
see me
know
and I
stay.
come. Acha.
Me will take your life out here. But them a spend on you a collect what?
My girl, you see me I talk my
But you
business
look like
and you
this-
jumping at me. No know where you come from. Me no know which. Me no know how which.
Garbage character.
You come here so. Me no
Me
know
say
which
who you
come
talk
from,
to?
you come here so. My girl, me I talk to me.
Shit, Bob, who you talking
I was
to?
talking to myself. So me no know where you
King give flyer, that's why you
argument.
a follow
When I
back.
say your talk, your argument, me no jumping at you have to jump inside
I
of
can't
me.
find something for broken blood clot back in at today.
What kuya?
Hey, girl.
My girl,
I
go
want to
on.
know some me just mash you up at us.
Mash up who? My girl, go on where you go.
This a girl I come like I say. You see you girl? You better make sure
My
stand at
girl, go on.
You better make
Go
sure
on.
say and
Me no know where you roll from in for me argument.
You
hear me
better
attack,
make
you
sure
roll come
say-
down in for me argument.
I know me sweet cat money I go pro go look for.
My
You
girl,
me I
me
tell
no
you?
want your man.
You
Me
better
no
make
want your
sure
man.
say I know there you go. But they must spend on
I
you a
don't want your
collect.
man. Bright.
Oh God, me care too. What I wanna for me, man, but me drink some water fever.
What time now?
First, me care water for you, but me drink
No.
some. Me
hold
never
on,
know
what's
how
the
it
time?
flavor.
Why you
taste.
just a come in there time? Where you come
So
from?
you don't want the water?
No, me no want no water. Me not thirsty. No bribe me. Do not bribe
What do you mean
me.
by you ever thirsty?
Where
You're
you come-
thirsty? You're thirsty in the bedroom or you're thirsty
Where
now?
you come from now? Where you come from now? No more know where you come from.
Babes, what me did tell us this morning before me left here?
You go look
Me I put
work.
on your water.
You say you go look work. So you get the work.
Me get the work. You know see, me all tired look there. Me drink some out of my water, me drink some out of you.
Like that. So how much
But
boss you
babes-
pay a week?
God, I dey feel so breathe that pain in my. You see me walk
said, "Ma, walk
straight.
out."
You see me walk straight, come here.
I said, "Ma, walk
I
out."
saw me have to walk on the road.
I said, "I walk out with you."
Oh, God, straight down the road I come.
A Chinese black man.
You know must know say how Chinese them.
Lord,
They wicked, they wicked, they wicked, they wicked, they wicked, they wicked.
Walk you out. Then a Chinese walk you out.
Me say better me dey listen to you this man and not go nowhere. I swear better me dey listen to you this morning.
I don't want nobody work you out, man. That's why I say I go work. That's why I go work myself.
And you know what? You know why hottest part of it, babe? I don't get dollar. When the man fi pay me,
Man can't pay so quick. You just start work. How you pay so quick?
babes. Me tell the man say me want a money.
Alright.
Cause me man their yard sick, me mother sick. Me,
Alright, yeah.
Oh.
Go on in, go fresh up. Come in, come give you a massage.
Say you did cook me dinner?
Yeah, man. Well, nice. 2 peas.
See, but me tell us say I go buy one lingerie and sitting. And that's why
Nobody
the
with
man
that.
pay
You don't
money,
need no
say man not pay
lingerie.
me.
Nobody with that. Nobody with no lingerie right now. The best thing you can do is strip naked and just open up in the bed.
Strip butt naked.
Yeah. Go on, I'm coming.
Oh. So, yeah, come.
Yeah, man.
No, we know. Nobody.
Yeah, man, go on fresh
No,
up.
we know, babes.
Yeah.
Me wait for you too long, you know.
No, you know.
So, you doing iPhone. You doing iPhone.
Business me angle for one.
Open no woman you have an iPhone.
You
Me
know,
see.
no, man. A client business work.
So, open no woman you having there look pan.
You know, sometimes woman guilty of something they want.
You know, so me should have search you if you rise up on yourself for me come here.
Go on, baby.
So you just around me, so.
Because more you hurry up the way you do it so me can just come in and start you.
So that's why you around me, so.
You know what the backers? I
You
see
know,
it.
so when you say that you call me name.
Go on in.
You call me Nick.
I may have some money for you tomorrow if you go to work with, so you don't worry about that cover.
Jeez, I gotta take off my clothes right out.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure I take off my clothes.
You're mad out of which door. Go in there, sir. And we want to see me property.
Wait, babes, when you talk about money, my skin catch a fire. What do you?
It's so bright.
Where you go? You know, say, me I go collect one partner, ja. Me see me argue about bills and something, so me say me want help you pay rent and something.
Partner, Ja. Since when you joined partner?
Long time.
And where you get money for the partner?
Mommy, don't worry about it.
So hold on. You think you're gonna collect the jar? So you're not sure?
Hopefully, that the man they can run pretty.
Oh, a man you draw with. Eh? Partner name no.
Mommy. Can't bother
Mine,
with
you know. Mine. You love road. You love road too much. Instead of you go look
So, mommy, I
work
don't want to help.
and get some ambition. I want you to do it legally. Start a business. If you don't want to work for somebody, buy a bag juice and sell. By the time you sell that bag juice,
Mommy,
you
that
can buy
can't pay
bag
me.
juice
That's
and
too slow.
chips.
That's too slow. That can't pay me.
All right, then we'll go get to work. A proper work. Hey? Where your life not that
I can't
risk?
bother with no work, and then it's too hard for me right now.
Me I talk from experience, you know. What me go through and what me see other people go through. Me I try save you.
Hard God. That's so.
Me no want you walk down this and run your body red.
Mommy, no now walk out down here, so.
Or where you work out then? If I get my partner draw that you think you go get. Alright.
Well, me soon come back.
Alright. Come me born yesterday. How days pick me with feel.
Every time me say me I go somewhere, you always have something else to say.
Come in know. Me say I know, come me used to do it.
Me soon come.
How days pick me with feel. Me I go up on the road, yeah, man. Sure.
Be say I go now.
Yeah, man, I good.
Money me come from.
Money?
Yeah.
So you know, say me have money. You couldn't call me for you pull up on me, or you know, say me have all.
Me see her pass up the road.
How was she said to you?
Check your fast, see her money.
What she said to you?
She don't know, say she don't know about me already.
So I say, I'll give me some before you go.
No problem.
You want the money first, or you wait?
Wait, man, wait till we do. No, yes.
Yeah, that one you a long time. Go on that shit, no? You have to do it fast before mama come back.
Hurry up.
One day if my man can't lend me money until me get me ratted, see me too? Eh?
See me with her.
Babes. You can ask you something?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You're not going to tell me no, though.
Depends. It depends. Suppose I tell me to eat.
That's how at least. That's how we get every night.
From who?
In a shot. Don't worry yourself. Come on. Hi.
Oh, yeah.
I got to lip me down now. For what?
Who are you to?
Just don't worry yourself about that. No. You know, say I sleep, my mouth sleep. I know that my fit. Oh, my dreams are me I get every night.
Oh. I make sure no me a dreams to do.
No. Oh, it could have be you.
Me just I tell you.
No man when me deal with can't eat pum pum. Come. Me a bar.
Where you look for?
Me a borrow money for you.
Where you want money?
Get my pay.
Where you want money for them?
I tell you, say I turn mama man pa me in here, you know.
Ask me over
I tell you, say I turn mama man pa me in here, you know. So you go tell me, say, me ask you for your money, if you go do something, you go ask me, say, what I want if you do?
When you go to bank and borrow loan, they ask me what me I go do it, you know. I borrow, you come here, you know, beg me, you know. I borrow, you borrow it.
When me in a day, so, I split, so. You ask me, say.
Alright. Hold it.
Hey, don't make me get bad here.
Hey, hold it.
That's a that's a, yes. Look pan it.
Yes.
That's why I have to love you, so, you know.
Hot.
So you going like you don't love me.
Hot. Yeah, man. No matter how you do this. Do anything you want to do it.
Hey.
Eh?
Remember something you want to do.
Yeah, man. Do it. Now give me back the money.
You say you love me?
Look, now give me back the money. Do what you want to do.
Right.
God. Hey.
All right.
Jesus, hallelujah.
Thank you. Here, babes.
Why can you give me it last night?
Stop here. So you're going to get it tonight.
Ah, Jesus. Whoa,
you love that one day. That one day.
Hurry up and come back. Tell the boss you can't tell long. Yeah?
Hey. No bother think to say me have no man out the road, you know. Because you alone me want, you know.
Me never mention
that. And you alone me want.
How that come up in your mouth?
Because when your sister come here, I can tell you what they say.
Say,
so me have to make sure say you know keep it in mind.
Oh.
You hear?
Alright.
You want me. Me left one panty in my bathroom. Wash it for me, you hear?
No problem.
Alright, baby, later.
No problem. Alright, babes.
Alright.
Yes.
So yeah.
That was great. Great.
So your money there be more.
No more money, I deserve more than money.
Remember say your woman soon come now.
Oh, that's true still.
But go here before she reach.
I deserve more than money, man, because that was great, like greater. You know, greater cake. Right, hold on for a second. That's a 2 bills.
Thanks.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, man, it's alright.
Alright.
Me call you when you reach up here.
Alright.
Later.
Wow.
I mean, no, say me get the partner job when me tell you say me I go look boat though.
Kakafat, you actually get it?
Me kaleki.
Okay, so a partner for true.
Yeah. And me work hard, you know, me work hard for pay do this apart.
So what kind of work you do?
Well, mommy nobody worry about that.
And that me a worry about.
Mommy nobody worry about that. You just want to know say me have your money.
And a little piece of money neither.
Remember say me did tell you say me go help you pay your light bill.
You know, so me just think so you talk.
Then mommy no tell us say me go get your money.
You know, say me love that, me appreciate love that, and you think of your mother as annoying as I can be. Oh God, but baby, what me want to see you do with that now is invest in it. Or get a business and start a legal business.
But me no worry about that. Me get other money to do that the party.
And that me I run from. Like how you have it in your hand. Or you did think you go get and you get it in your hand now. Buy Bitcoin, buy crypto, start a business, make this your money grow and work for you.
But mommy, me I go give me if I have $100, me I go give $100. Me to use the next $100 and do something else. And next time me get back that the money there, man.
God bless you. Thank you. I appreciate
man,
love
they
it.
spend for me. Oh, US too, mommy, look. US.
Okay, well.
Really are here right.
The man spend for me good.
I wonder if me really are here right, so.
Mommy, are you friend?
Oh, who you are coming on my daughter business?
So
are you again? Barrel body. No shape.
Miss me know you? Me know you?
Are you again Miss Barrel body?
Oh yeah, coming and insult my daughter, so. I know I come and fast in the big people business. Go about your business, lady. Me and my daughter stand up in a chat.
Every time your daughter see me, she drop the same word.
Mommy, I don't know her. Me don't know her. I never see her
she
yet
keep
in my
on
life.
a tabo.
Me never yet see her in my life. Me don't know where she come from.
Money and she a collect.
So what? A bad man? You bad man me pick me? Cause she have money?
Me can never bad mind your pitney.
Me not understand.
Me can't understand.
Me and my child standing here having a private conversation.
And she just come
you just walk past like any ginger fly conversation.
Lady,
context
pass like a ginger fly, but you are what? You come like a them cropping lizard, you say ugly? Yeah, them big
I mean,
like
this human you're looking at the mirror at a reflection, man.
You are someone live under stone. You look at
that. Jezebel come to us, huh? We're having a private conversation and you're coming out.
Nobody talk to me. Because you don't know who me
because she's looking at reflection and I see herself. I don't know who
you notice I never see you until it up in your mouth.
You're blind to then.
Female make me know say
you're blind to then. You're blind to then. You forgot Dr. Lady.
No, you
I'm not just down there for check. I'm not just down there for check.
Lady.
Come here, people.
Come on. You need to see the doctor for those gingivitis. Your mouth is very stinky.
You look like she have
I smell your bottom lip.
You look like she have a problem, ma'am.
You smell
like
your
problem.
Me I smell my mouth, but you smell your bottom lip. How it think can reach up there.
Come on,
face, man.
You know what time I them though?
You see how the devil's strong.
You know when a woman tongue white when they
do. You see how the devil's strong.
Strong, mommy.
Me and you have a private conversation. Me don't know the woman from home.
Me don't know who roll him come down here so.
Hey, what's see her?
Humbug.
How roll her come down here so, mommy?
Which shit bring her?
Because see shit in front of you, you're not going to see through.
Mommy, tap argue with him. Mommy, tap argue with him. Can me no know he come from
me. Just devil take her. Our shadow.
What me do with the last gal up there?
What you think you're gonna do? What you think you're gonna do to my girl? What you really think you're gonna do to my chicken?
Come and so come and lick me like a
lizard move out of my way.
So one come lick me and
move off a pump. Move me now.
Yeah, what?
Me a dopey conqueror. Move me now.
Mommy, I waste of time. I waste of time for him.
How this? Who this?
You don't even know who you are deal with.
You know it. You know it.
That's me.
How you deal with, lady? How you deal with? Eh?
Mommy.
You know, say I have.
How you deal with?
Listen,
How you deal with?
Go on until you get
Where
it.
you
Where you
deal
come
with?
from?
You know her?
If I hell said you come down.
You know her?
You defend your daughter with her old deeper than for you. Move out of my way.
She
You know
Come away.
Touch me, pick me.
Move out of my way.
Touch me, pick me, please. Touch me, pick me. Touch me, pick me.
I'm to
Tell her
the
again,
beat
mommy.
out.
Let me have your
I'm to the beat out, woman. Yeah.
Touch me, pick me, then.
Your mouth, hey, move out of my way.
Touch me, pick me.
Me say,
Touch me, pick me. Touch me,
all
pick me.
more, move out of my way.
Me no business with that. Touch me, pick me.
Man, get the
Let me move out of your way.
Yes,
You're
yes,
so
yes,
bad.
yes, yes,
You're so bad. Remove out of your way.
yes,
Touch
yes,
me, pick me.
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl, how you do? How you do? Hey, how you do? How you do? Touch me, pick now. Touch me, pick now. Hey, touch me, pick now. No, run up and come here. Touch me, pick now. Who you think you be? Hey, girl. Who you think you fit to this? Hey, girl.
Behave on yourself. Behave on yourself. Remember, say police station out there. So
Yo.
behave on yourself.
B.
Yes, baby. Me same one.
Oh. You finally reach.
See, me just a reach. Cause one sitting on the road. But anyway, one other day me tell about that.
Oh, one
So,
so put. Me there just.
So you look so hungry.
How you know so?
Hmm.
How you know so?
And me I come here with my hungry belly thing so you cook.
That could never let you come here with. Cause me no cook and you never link me and tell me say you cook. I know they have
Don't
cook.
worry yourself about that. Anyway, I something I can't come give.
What that?
A piece of food, man.
Oh, so now that if you talk all long day, come and come hold long conversation. Give me what you give me, man. Hurry up, no, man.
Me go give you no, but you know me I pray you. Me I pray you. See them? I don't know what you can do, but
This can't do all
make
it,
it
man.
serve you.
This can't do all it, man. Hold it.
You try and make it serve you.
Alright, later
Come
now.
have no more again.
Later now.
What I would? What you just say a while ago?
I say, that's how you have to go back.
What you just say a while ago?
Say later now, be.
So every time I come here and give you money, what me do? I pay you for my service, sir. That me I pay you for.
Oh,
You remember some no man?
say enough of talk long
And
time.
you are service me, so you try. No ramp with me today.
Service, you want? Service,
Come
what you
go
want?
like
Oh, yeah,
come back here.
Oh, yeah, blame my did you sell?
Hey, but always just a flow.
Oh.
You know them
come
way
in
they?
now, come in.
And look here, me no beard this man, no?
You don't be it.
Me no beard. So if you smell nothing, nobody worry yourself. You don't know say I still pum pum is still there.
Go on that sheet, no
So
be.
you move so.
Hurry up, no, man.
So you see me up suffer. Come man.
Sure.
Yeah, me can't see mommy happy. I'm fine, dear. So I don't know which part of the human day him come from. Everywhere me day him go, him up here up to them and me argument.
You see how me nearly get lick up?
Mommy.
For your work? Sure.
Mommy no know whether the woman they want with me everywhere you see me.
She must have a reason. All the big titty one, she have come out to talk about police. We should have bust for her head too. Can't deal with the problem. That's what me I talk to you about. You see how the devil's strong? We are talking about doing something positive and something good, and he send the devil
I don't
himself.
know which part of the woman that him just come from so.
You must know.
Me don't know her enough. I first me I see her enough in my life. And
So then how she said that every time she see you, you
Me
drop
know
word.
that the
And you
woman
did a
said
drop
that
word for
woman.
true. Which man I give you dollars? US dollars. Which man I give you US
money
dollars?
me I talk about. No man when me go collect he partner draw from.
Jody, I the woman man.
Mommy no.
A only man Me see woman fight out the street like that and go on like that for, you know.
But me don't know that woman, you know. Me don't know where he come from.
So which man that? What him name? Which man give you that?
But me a woman me start partner with when they say do partner. And me say alright, me go start to one partner and help you.
Mine, you know. Mine. Look what just happened there, so.
So me, you not trust me,
She nearly skinned me alive. Huh? In all fairness between me, you and Ja, if the woman never come out and ball out for police and me get to her, me don't know what me would do. What the size of how she big?
She take up one can beat it.
Me never see you do it. Hey, look at you, cause if it's just you that get in trouble at one thing.
Mommy.
Sure, for money and man and other people, man.
Mommy, that's nice. You never want money?
You can't bribe me with money, man.
Mommy, I no bribe. Can me don't tell us me that go get you money already.
You must use your conscience and know what you do with the money. But know what you do, man. You put people's life at risk.
Mommy, don't know you, man.
You must know, then she know you. She know you.
Mommy, see you.
Huh?
I just put it to watch it like this. And
only because it's the bills, them. Oh. Know what you do, man. Use the rest, invest. Sure.
Alright, man. One thing we do you know your work.
So me must always have to know my work. Remember, say me a jack of all trade now. I always have to know my work.
That's why me have to love you, so, you know?
So me must have to love it to be armed to you, man.
That's why me have to love you, so, look here.
So me have to love.
You know, so look like you deal with another woman.
B, you want to forget other woman. For me can't get them a good treatment and think about other woman.
You look like you deal with another woman for one day.
Me don't have time for that. You me have time for. No other woman can give me this.
You know, so me just remember, you know, so every time me a pass when me a left your yard, one girl always a come from up the road and I say, how me a mind the man and she a spin and them something.
I like probably no watch people business. No listen to nobody, B. Don't listen to nobody.
So where you go tell me say, you know what me a gonna do next time? Me a gonna mark the money. Me a gonna mark the money when me give you. I bet she have to go show me.
You know understand no?
You see you?
B.
You see you?
I will a bed and will a sleep or I'm gonna look something to eat. So call me later, so or call me. I will look something to eat.
Alright, baby.
Yeah.
Mwah. Love you.
Love you too.
Love you, sweetheart. Bye. Later.
My brother, are you me for come check?
Yeah.
I true me didn't temper, you know. You dirty fuck woman see me and I'm picking out the street want fight with. No want fight with. Fight with. I'll take stick to me pick me, you know.
No run them serious joke there.
And a joke me I make.
No.
And a joke me I make. Me have to jump on him back.
My woman now do them something.
Ask Jody when you see her next. I'll ask the neighbor. And she have to come out and part the fight and say she go call police. Ask Miss Lady round at the lane.
No.
No, ask me. No believe me, man. Go ask the woman round the lane. And she have to come part and say she go call police power.
No, me not believe that. Me not believe.
No believe me, man.
Come here, baby.
Yeah, man.
Come here.
I lie me I tell.
No, come on.
She never take stick to me picnic.
Come on.
Warn you woman, you know. Cause you woman in the things. Oh.
No, baby, come on, man. Come straighten out this.
Instruction there, make you call me.
Huh?
What is that?
You never see me and me picnic out the street. Say my daughter drop word.
No, you see.
You tell her
come with pit stick.
Still, I met this year. Come here, yard. Come
this
corrupt
year.
me.
How me a corrupt you? You done corrupt already.
No, listen to me.
Come attack me and my picnic.
Listen, my woman don't need a toxic relationship, you see?
You are the toxic.
So what you say about me woman now?
You have to check into it. Things are gone. Open your eyes, my brother. Me know say you're born with sense.
You know say
Open your eyes.
What? My man look like a bank.
You move the cockroach out of your hole yet? You move the cockroach and the animal and wrap them out of your hole yet? How you couldn't unbang toilet for weeks? But as soon as you leave my brother down the street, you run up. You run up. It only take you a couple hours for unbang and de-flea and de-cockroach. You must send them up there, sir. Open your eyes, my brother.
Let me tell you this. Me want you love me woman alone. Here?
Warner again.
I share my comfort.
Warner.
It's a nighttime come
Anytime liquor in our back.
Hey.
You better warn her.
The lady in the day of it stop it this time. The woman in the day of it stop not this time. Me not touch you because me touch you and shake you all rat and cockroach come out of your hole. Move and go.
Talk up to this.
Yes.
Lord God. Hui.
Oh yeah, I tell
Every day come up.
Should I come here and stare me?
Me and you can't lay down in a bed, so you come here and this man.
You got choose whole of a family.
What do you mean?
You got choose whole of a family.
What do you mean? Am I tired?
A tie for true.
Am I tired? This one play with.
But she have you as a real plaything. She have you as a real plaything, but brother, I can't believe. Say you really a foul feet. I say you love the rat hole. I say you love the rat hole, man.
Your mouth
when mother and when father grow away with manners and sense. I saw you love the rat hole.
You hear that?
Hey girl, you better
You hear that? We mean like the ball.
Lord God, I don't rat them a bite you up, man.
Ray-Ban, take off your glass.
I don't rat them a bite you up, my brother. And you make rat infection go your head.
Listen me.
You make rat infection go your head.
You see,
if I beg you come beg, some of the crabs is them in the kitchen put on.
You make your little head think for your big head. And know this, my brother. You go ball. Remember this your moment.
Let me tell you this. If any day my woman file and next complain about you can't come back in my yard.
Me not run you and your ratty woman down. Keep your ratty woman.
She's still a yap.
Keep your ratty woman.
Me say drag your ass going to bed.
Me, I gonna tell you, sir. I told you so. Remember that. Remember that.
Let me talk to my sister.
More so kill you up an egg, girl.
Go call the Pied Piper. Go call the Pied Piper. Call the Pied Piper for your rat hole. Brother.
More I talk this woman, you know. Me can't lay down in the bed. Me your blood.
You have to open your eye
Open your eye for what?
You know, she ain't not things. You know, say she a give you bun, cheese, and rat bun.
No woman can give eye bun. Me have what they want already, and me I satisfy them.
Yeah, the cheese for your bun.
Every night me give her it properly, so she can't have no time for go cheat. Me make sure me bruise up that. She don't have no time for cheat, so me know why you come grudge her for your shape.
Hey, how me for grab rat hole?
You grudge her for your shape.
Grudge rat hole. Me good with my goody shape. Me good with my shape.
You know me know
hey.
Because me woman can be a muggler, you can't be a muggler. You know,
me no want monkey model.
This man, my sister, make a split right so. My woman can split, you can't split.
Lord God, that
you
split.
Jar.
The amount of cockroach run out that when they split, make
you run out.
I told you so is the song me I go sing to you, my brother. I told you so. I told you so. You are not it today.
Come.
All right, baby.
So what you say I go now?
I don't feel good now. I'm going to try to go clean.
What do you?
I just don't feel good.
Mine, you know? Mine.
Maybe a little flu, maybe catch up icing or fever.
Little flu. I never catch flu 17 years ago, 18 years ago. Try no son of the same flu me catching her.
No, mommy.
Try no son of the same flu.
When me come find one clinic, me come me tell you.
Make sure and come straight back.
Yes, mommy.
All right, come straight back and come tell me how.
All right, I soon come back here.
What good? But I know me supposed to carry you a clinic. Me are the big woman. As a matter of fact, I'll come with you to a clinic and me supposed to carry you. Me are the mother. You are the picnic.
Book an appointment down there already. I already call him and book an appointment.
You book appointment and not even mention nothing to me?
I'm not worry about that. Me not feel good. Me then say me must come down there by 8:30.
Alright, go on.
Alright.
What's in the dark, have to come in the light.
Mommy nothing in the dark.
I'll start sweat.
Mm-hmm. Then look on all the yard.
How you go?
Ah, Jesus, my mama man come back again.
Yes! Me supposed to be it.
Look like I say sister teach him the trade.
Me supposed to be a mama man. Me supposed to protect you. Me come here to serve and protect my wife. What you expect? Me can add this a good property and watch it. Peep, 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 clock, clock. Me a be a big kind of clock. What they call it? What are they?
If binoculars.
Right. Glad you know. Anyway, where you going?
You know me I got work, babe. Me I got work.
Give my time of day.
Work me I go. The my time of day I come up on evening shift. You know, baby, you know remember say evening shift me tell us say people ain't put me pan now.
Me missing some money. Last night me missing some money. Can't find it this morning. How you go? Tell me how you go. I miss some money. I want to know how you go right now. Because that money there, you know, I have to pay my debt and clear up my debt and give you something to do. If you go buy some clothes so you can look sexy and hot for the party when I go in the week. You know. And plus, I want to go buy one engagement ring so I can marry you. So where the money there? Talk to me and me alone sleep here last night. Where the money there? Huh? Where the money there?
You didn't have money in there?
Yes! My left money there last night.
Oh, so you don't know say. You don't know say.
No, sir. What?
Are your licky sister come back on Kentucky?
You see that? You see that?
Out of your room, Mrs. She come from.
I ain't a squeeze and short.
No, God, I never remember to tell you. I never remember earthly thing.
Cause my sister and I really can't do me this. A bad man.
She same one, babes. I tell her so when time she come at your yard, run her out.
A bad man.
Oh, drunk or that. Run her out to your yard.
You're right, baby. You're right.
She come here a create bad card for me and you.
I'm gonna run her.
She a beg when time she come here?
Never run her.
Run her out like a dog.
Right.
Yes. I make me get to laugh. And call the neighbor.
Go on.
Alright, baby. Alright, take care.
Yeah, wait till she come here.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to cuss out and... Yeah,
I want fish head left in our plate for you. No food no did they do, you know?
Right, me eat fish head.
You want fish head in our plate for you, alright.
I'm miss a stupid. You have to go cook some tomorrow.
Lord God, thank you for telling me.
You know, so I just come from the clinic with good news.
News.
I did feel sick this morning and I say me have
I not ask for good news because once I come from clinic with news, I have bad news. So let me know what I want.
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes, pregnant for you.
Nobody bring it, no? Nobody feel like you go bring it for my thick girl come feel say me did a girl born long time with other woman.
So you just want to deny babies. No, you just want me to dash me picking this or no?
So what you go do? You go grow without a father?
Then no you...
Me no want it. No bring it, get rid of it. Me no want it.
So when me I go tell my mother say no want to be?
The pharmacy I come from, why you never buy 2 pills? Take that, get rid of it.
Oh, me get... Lord God.
You know what that? You know me have my woman. You know me have my tickers.
Tell my mother say no.
Tell him say your belly full.
But to be suppose start have morning sickness or something. Suppose he say me
Tell them mother say your belly full. Every time if you see your belly I grow I get big, tell him say you chew you to eat enough. Or you go get with it. And when Pitney Bam brooks, you find one man game.
Timmy, me can't do that.
So where you go to country him done for me? Me no want it.
So, but I feel baby.
Me no want that, me say. When me come in with baby, no one probably move here and I probably a contract with baby. My tickle see that. How that go?
Timmy, me not. Ah, Jesus.
Nah, Jesus. No bring Jesus never in our bedroom, would we? When this a picnic I mean. Yo, come. Go on, man. Go on.
Timmy, me.
Buy some pill, man, or something, man. Go and go take something, man. Go on, man. You're bright and feisty and out order. I'm thinking the one for left me.
Oh God, have mercy, I'm tired.
What, brother?
Yes! As you want to see Friday, you know, man. I try to find you Friday. I come up all over your yard. I'm not see you. But before me tell you my problem me have with you now. Why your problem? Can you come here problem you have, you know?
Nah. Let me tell you. First of all, let me start with what my comfort say. My comfort apologize to you. Because you don't know, say, me not in the bangarang. I me never mean for come up here and start bangarang with you.
I embarrass me sweetheart.
And the shame me apologize about is you. But differently to that. You know, so Jody gone to clinic. The other day, me see her throw up her tripe. And gone to clinic, book appointment for herself. Turn big woman now, book appointment and gone to clinic like me, no know how. Chaja, me just a praise seminar right.
So, what do you mean by in the right? How are you in her ears?
Which ears? You know, no, chill man. You see when them your young girl love road, and then you see them a blah, blah, New York, and no feel well and feel like them a go drop, that is a sign of prep. You know, I must say what the word. But it's a sign, me feel so bridge to the bridge, you know. Me just a pray to just me wrong.
If you breathe hungry, go and murder on.
Hey.
Because you can't barely feed, she must let's feed the next one that come. And when you in her belly too, at that time they share out craving for food. But I don't want to talk about.
For me.
Yesterday when me have a little argument, right?
You can't pan that again.
No, me have to start from scratch to when me I reach. You come back here last night?
Which come back here last night? Me know how your head at, you know. And like how your head did happen, me no want you explode. Come back where?
You know, come back here, can't thief my money last night.
Who you call thief? After this gone, me go home. Me go in my yard. And talk to me picnic. Me go in my yard. Which part? Popeye, in all the years you born in my hand, and me change your diapers, me know your thing before you know your thing, eh? In all the fights we have at picnic, when you lose your head, when me gone, me not run gone. I made the bigger one, come me know how your temper tan. When me I come back here suffer, you know, see me come back today and apologize to you.
Okay. So, a lie my woman I tell you.
That is a liar, that is a Jezebel, you know, see rata come out of every hole. When me I go come back here, so Papa, me know your temper. Me come back today when your head cool down. Me I'll come apologize. I mean, I even really feel something wrong. I true, me love you. I'm want to make the peace. Me apologize.
Hello.
What, me niece? Yeah.
Hey, take your filthy hand off of me.
Look here, I don't feel like it, woman.
Me know where you come from?
Off of my phone. You don't feel like you want to give me the money now where you promise me, because I've been away for a whole long time. I come like
say, I don't have no money now.
You never have money. Where you have? Give me your phone, let me go pawn your shop and get the money.
Why you not pawn your phone?
Hold on. Your daughter need money. And you take your money, go give the rat trap.
I feel your money.
And you can't help your own picnic.
I feel your
Look a
picnic.
tough girl, man, don't you cut me, you know.
Hey, respect. Put respect for thy name.
No, what is
Respect not upon
that?
her name. Respect go both ways. She don't show me no respect, I don't show
I
her
your
no respect.
stepmother that for life. I'm my fluffy that. I'm married to her.
Step aside where you walk
I'm
on.
my
Yes,
sweetheart
man.
that.
And everybody else's.
My sweetheart that. We love.
What is this?
And she at work.
Picnic in family for rat hole, everybody dig out.
It can't.
Talk to your niece, you know. Talk to your niece.
You can't give fine money for give. She have fear picnic there and they feel hunger. Look family.
You don't have your mother. You don't have your mother.
Me not have you to everything on mommy. Everything on mommy. Where you there for?
If your mother never cheat on me. If your mother never cheat on me. You're not there. And you're alright.
No matter what you use it, my mother fat fry me.
Yes, so the mother, so the daughter.
You got all, you know. Let me say I got all.
My sister they have to take care of me.
Kiss me it.
The man make me poop.
No,
Make me poop to her. Hey! You know have your fluffy to take care of you.
You say the sister here, she not got there to take care.
No.
You put water over your blood.
Thank
Just
you.
You never know. You put water over your blood.
Yeah, make the little
sure
thing
say
for the big
your
head.
fat, ugly, sour woman, alright. And your own family there, you everything
You know what?
fault.
Him accused
You
me
know how
of
we
thief earlier.
You know what?
Nobody look for no, okay? You not look for no to get me out of your yard.
The two
I'm
one come out of
going.
my yard. You know go on.
Oh, yeah, look for.
Go on out of my yard. The two one go on out of my yard. You know go on. Go on out of my yard. You know bright.
That's it. Hey, oh my, congratulations.
Change you. Go on out of my yard, man. Yeah, take a niece and go on. Take a niece and go on.
We got the
What?
fun leave the idiot.
Hey,
He
remember,
not even
no?
have little head, much less we think for big head. We move on go.
Me still remember my
You
money.
fool.
Alright. We can come up on the road, yeah, man.
Know that?
Me, of course. Who else it? You did expect somebody else?
Your mother don't fix money else. Your mother
So you go ask her who that?
yeah, one of my friend, them are family member.
Oh, true.
How go on?
But the woman me saying, I feel boring here, man. I can't link my man, you know.
For
What am I always gonna link you for?
service.
Right.
You have money?
No, me not no money today, me I trust it today.
No.
So all the time me have money and me I pay you tell me say you not trust me no
Free,
No make me get burn gland dark in ya.
free service.
Don't make me get
Free service, hurry up.
me say no make me get dark in ya. Me want my service and I want it now and I trust it.
That,
So but me ask you something now. Terry, why when time me have my money? You just get up, see it ya. And when me not no money, you can't give me.
come like you don't understand what me I say. Free service, hurry up. Me nah go there so. Get your money and come. Put your money where your mouth there.
You want me stop spend my money with you?
No business where you want to. Just put your money where your mouth there.
Any shop you go spend your money, you know get credit there. Come give me, just look here. Don't let me drip you up and take that. I want me sort out right now.
Come on, go up on the road.
Me say, I want me sort out now. Go pan which road?
Come,
Go do what? Me no fuck pan road, I'm the dog.
come in.
Every time. Me have to come pay you. Me have to come buy your cocky like I say, I know for me.
Where they complain for, brother? You know, don't get this.
I feel me that. You see, anytime I want that rather toss, pay down, anything, fly it up. Fly it up like a rat chop. And make me get that. That I feel me, my name right on that, written on that.
Come like you never go to school, you know.
That same piece of, big piece of wood that we have in your pants. And mine alone. And me alone can't take that, you know.
Come on, go up on the road, go to you with something.
Go do what? Go do you do what?
Stop question me.
Oh, true, Mr. Me nah no money, I go jam money, you mean?
Yeah. Question me too much. Come on. Come on, Abby.
I wonder where I go pan the jam upon the road.
Oh,
Oh
God.
boy, let me try
Watch out again. Watch out again.
Evening, my brother.
Oh, wow, so good about the evening now. You come back again at me?
Me not come for fight, my
I
brother.
mean, money you can't come now.
Me tell you, sir, me not thief your money. Go look for your rat trap and go find your money.
Disgrace me queen.
All
like
right,
that.
all right.
What problem
When
now?
me come to tell you, you're gonna be your uncle, you know.
Who?
You're gonna be Uncle Popeye Tiralo. Jody a breed. Come back from clinic and tell me say she a breed.
So what does have to do with me? Me think about money I can tell me about your daughter problem. I know if I'm telling you to go open up and breathe. You know have a baby father. You know have a baby father.
That day, apparently when she go tell him tell her finna me.
Huh?
Him tell her finna me, Popeye.
Then me only have a whole entire family with fool. How many is fool though?
She must have taken off her uncle. But anyway.
Don't pass the place with
Well,
me.
don't pass your place with me, come here the bigger one. I'll take your foot out of my face. Me are the bigger one. Remember that?
And it's not my foot.
It look like a foot, you ugly same way like your foot. And you used to wash it. Pack off. Open your eye, them. Pumba.
Watch out.
Let me go to man.
How would it say?
Tell me say yo.
No, sir, I want to see over there, so me I look.
I think me I gonna make a come tell me say I breathe like you Slimmers. Like when Slimmers come tell me.
Hi, mister. Just a quick question. Who these stickers is to you?
Well, I'm an ex right now at this moment. Cause me and her left. Me now make she come tell me say she a breathe like the Slimmers.
That's right.
Which Slimmers?
Me not hear right.
Jody.
Me no business with you and your problem. And my daughter, you come call and my daughter, so you tell my daughter finya marbelly. Eh? And you tell my daughter finya marbelly. Jody, you my picnic, you know? So what you gonna do about it? You breed my picnic, whatever. And what you gonna do about
What
it?
me I gonna do? What for do about it?
You have to go mine that.
Mine what?
You have to go mine that.
What is that woman?
You have to go mine my daughter, you know? And mine the belly too. Cock fat. So hold on. You and
My woman in a business.
hey, me no say you have to go mind my grand picnic.
Ah, my niece.
So hold on.
Talk to me, baby. Me not understand. Who him? Who him? Cause me not pay attention to my sister now. Who him? Who him? Cause me I take care of you good. Me know me I give you money at the time. So who him?
Calm down.
No work, no work,
Call me big.
Babes.
no work you go.
You had to work?
Yeah, me gotta work.
Where you work? I don't me never remember to ask you.
Service department.
Serve you what department?
Service department, Shrek. She come service.
Babe, talk to them now.
Let me.
Stop.
Don't do
So
that.
you gonna listen to people over me?
Don't do that.
So you gonna listen to people over me, baby?
Hello.
So that you gonna listen to people over me?
Right now, me always cuss my sister because of you, know.
Baby,
When my sister tell me, say, me a go ball to her, she right.
God, no. What me do?
There's nothing but a trash. Eh?
Babes, you really are gonna listen to people over
There's
me?
nothing but a calabash when it old. Eh? Half of me. Sir.
What is palm?
Run where
Sir.
the rats. Run where the cockroach.
How my money did I spend? How my money did I spend per man? Eh?
Hold on.
Alright, man.
Eh? All them 200 US there. Eh?
Babes, calm down.
Me a give you.
See all the neighbor over the side.
How them business?
Make me put salt and pepper in this. 200 US, you say?
Me take care.
Babe, no.
Hold on.
Calm down now.
My daughter Jody did they with that long maga spaghetti thing there. And she come home the other day, I flashed 200, some man give her in a partner. I wonder if I feel money.
Baby, no look pan her. No look pan her.
I like the money you send me thief.
Yeah, all of that.
Bombard with this. Popeye. Me not see a clown for a long time. Your whole circus, Bobo.
You're gonna make she stop.
Bobo. You really are gonna make that. And you see it with your one eye. Let me see this.
Head top.
Bobo, let me see this.
Guess what now?
Baby, do.
Circus time done. Take your backside,
What you mean the
man.
circus time dog and the circus dog yard?
What me say to you? Say.
Alright.
What me say?
Liquor, Popeye, liquor.
I'm sorry, missus. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. God no, I'm sorry. But take care of everybody, you know. Me daughter and you. I'm sorry. My apology. Anything what me do, me sorry about that. I'm gonna pay you 10 times.
Me don't want your money, you know,
sorry.
Popeye.
I'm sorry.
And call me thief.
No, I'm sorry,
Me?
sister. I'm sorry.
You look
God
at
no, I'm
me
sorry.
for rat chop and call me thief.
Me kind of confused.
You diss your owner picnic my niece
I'm
for
sorry.
rat hole.
I'm sorry.
Where you see the pipe now.
You forgive me.
Of course, me forgive you. It's my blood.
All right,
But
sister.
don't do it again, you know. Don't do it again. Come here, I'll take my cloth and lick you up.
Me not take out no more fatty again.
Me no business with the size, you know, brother. But if you use that instead of that,
No,
make
but-
that think. Stop be Bobo the clown. Me love you. Come.
How you do? Follow me good on?
Yes, man, because I want to protect you if the rat trap come back.
All
Come.
right, thank you. Yeah.
I stay with Popeye. Stay with him and I can't check no one then see me. I mean,
That's why you say things.
how me sit in
So you want me to stay with a man and you still want me to come check you.
I mean, I'm leave it there right. We
How
ain't
does
there
that
things,
work? How that work?
Good. Oh, you can't go in this.
Why?
Right now you can't go in this. Roach cock, roach, insect, grasshopper. Now tell you, come.
And you over there with pregnant lady?
Where you just say, little girl, don't make me have.
Acho! You have a woman over there where they breed. So
Stop
when you
tell
there
lie.
go? And a lie me I tell.
Stop tell lie.
Me not tell us one thing. Me never you tell a
Hear me
lie.
I tell you love tell lie too
No,
much.
and a lie me
Where
tell
are they?
you.
How is she?
How you?
How you?
Come to go in my house. Watch out. How you doing this up? Where you do ya?
Me dey my man yard.
Which
I
man?
sweep up my man house. You know, but you no. No, this a girl ya. This a girl ya. What you mean you dey your man yard?
Let's take it for junkie man this time. A yara can roach ya. How are you? A yara can roach ya. How are you? A yara can roach ya. How are you?
I'm not shocked. Me and you alone the in here so now. No. Kind of no. Me not.
Why? Yeah, but who me? A yara can roach ya. A yara can roach. Sure, we have to. We never tell us me come in here. Listen, man. That's necessary.
You feel some in the ear? You feel some in the ear everything what you do?
Oh, it.
What's that?
What happened?
Oh, God.
I never expect to see you. Oh, God, you alright?
Yeah,
Everything
man.
alright? What you do? I never expect to see you.
Oh, you know, say I 2 weeks then give me.
But we never think so you could get breaks so soon.
No, man, them give me
2 of them give me, I'm asking for our next 2.
And get a whole a month?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, man, I feel is a good little thing, you know. That for the back in the place. Time hot and thing.
Yeah, man.
I saw
Me there I wait for Master Joe. Him tell me say him have a thing for give me and I know me can't see him.
Oh.
So why you never phone me and tell me say you
like
come?
surprises.
Hey, me could have put on a pot for you.
No. That at least, man. You don't have to worry about that. Me like surprise people because I saw me surprise if I'm man man catch him and give me bun. So I like surprise people. So that's what I know.
If you did treat them right, they wouldn't give you a bun.
Mommy, you don't know your son. Any girl me there with, me have to treat them nice. So them can't say a lack of money make them left me or a lack of you know we not talk about that, yeah, my mother. We not talk about that. You understand? So what that is
I'm gonna talk about that sugar food. Me not talking about things.
Still up and down.
You will put me in a bad mood. Me don't want to talk about that.
I'm just married and done, man.
Married what? Married what?
Best couple, you know. When you fight, I want to tell you 2 months last sometimes to cook by next morning. I me see I try to sneaky me and I tell me, I come get him stuff them.
Him I come get him stuff them when me
but
tell
you
you.
But he never leave the next day. Well, but I phone on big people something that I don't be so we don't know.
Me not deal with him, not talk to him right now.
Yeah, so how is things?
Yeah, man. Other than that sugar food, him we good. We good. Oh God, we glad to see you, my boy. But look how you tone up, eh? Them a train you up, man.
Yeah.
A rock stone them, yeah. A rock stone them, yeah.
But not good still. Just they are doing have to do. So we say why you have up over there to eat something fast you can. Chef up because I don't have time. Everything down on the road is very expensive. Understand? I mean, the money spending right now. So we have over there can consume.
You're gonna have to wait for me for cooking up because you love surprise. You don't know, so my fridge full already. And me have yeah, man. Me I go line up your favorite. Come, man. Me now put
up on the road. Come on, go over.
Why I'm glad to see you. A whole month. How me lucky, sir. Have you?
There I know, but yeah. Can't decide that's for me.
So you're hand and foot during church? Or you can't come into the house and carry the bag?
I go on the road.
Already? And you just come?
Yeah, remember, so I just come back in the place, man. I go on the road and now I go see if I can have a drink and them something there. Just came back for your son and still going, so you know.
So you come home for go have drink. Alright.
It's a long, me have a long 4 week, you know. I'm gonna get to go nowhere, I'm gonna get to have a drink more than water, just water and being a drink.
So drinking at the house?
No man, I'm gonna get a strong special out on the road. Let me get one craving it, who may knows, nobody may know.
Alright,
so
this will come for?
No, just go and talk once, you know.
Bob!
Wow.
What going?
I'm good.
You alright?
Yeah, man.
So you should me have so?
No, that. I don't really should me have. I hope you're too tight, man. I squeeze and see time hot. Come on, I cool shady. I'm not care about the up son. Where you there now?
Me there, what going?
I'm good, man. Stop. Where you do that for?
So me can't touch you again?
Yeah, we are friends. You can touch me, yes, but them
so
you do that.
You go here how long me not see you?
Oh, I'm come back here now, man.
So you can give me a papa hug?
Easy, no, man. Just relax now.
You don't like your style?
What do you mean you don't like my style?
So yeah.
I'm good, man. I tell you, I just come back. You see me?
So you care about me?
I don't care about nothing for you. I never did a thing for care about nothing for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you remember me?
Remember you, yes, remember say you have a man and me like, but you have a man and thing. You're not good now though. You're good now though? Okay, so no one need for all of that.
Why are you difficult to deal with?
Watch out, mama, I'm not difficult, but if me come here and see some of them be like the time and then you have your man. My mind come on for you, you know. I'm not too bad one. You see me keep your friend. You're a friend, we're not a friend. Okay.
But we can't be more than friends. Why?
No, we're not gonna be no more than friends.
Yeah, we can't be more friends.
Why we can't?
Come up here,
Stop, touch up my shirt. We cannot be more than friends. We're alright over there now.
Me not alright.
So we're man there.
Mom, eh?
We're man there.
Stop asking about man. You know, ask about man.
One time, I tell me, say, you know, and date me because I not have this and I not have that and your man have this and your man have that.
That time I pass.
So I have you now. You want me now? No, I don't really see I don't really see us in this local lifetime. You know what I see?
Man.
Hello. Just relax now. We are friends, you know. You know,
Me
meet your
want
eyes.
friend, I can hear good. You're there for your dog. Which one?
We can hear you very, very clearly. You understand? We cannot be more than
So
friends.
you want to never understand so we can remember with each other?
I don't want to remember.
You know them matching something?
I don't remember you.
Give me a thing.
Girl, what happened to you?
Me want you. You're blind.
Listen, no man. Me tell you, I'm not really ready for no relationship.
Me ready for do.
When me ready,
till I'm ready.
No, when me ready, we make you know. I'm not ready yet.
So me a choice.
Not really option. Say a choice or option, but them time that it was like me had the choice or option, you never want to with me.
Oh, you got the pass somebody else?
No, not really, but me just not in it.
Hello, me want you, me don't talk.
Yeah, me kind of go up on the road right now. You really distract me. Me don't care. You distract me. You get annoying. You need to go where me I go. So just go on your ways.
Alright, baby, later. Yeah?
Don't be alright.
Alright, babes.
Stop touch me, girl, and go on. Just go on now. Make peace with me. Not about bad good. Not good. I say, man.
Evening, daddy.
Evening or afternoon? Which one?
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Daddy, tell me if I see one boy I have a crush for a long time.
That you really come up and tell me?
So me talk?
Oh God, me think the girl come and say, Daddy, we done cooking lunch. Come for lunch.
I may talk to you boy I shoot me off.
And you gone back from the boy again.
Now let me finish talk.
This is why the boy push you off, because you don't have no self-control. You have to make sure your father eat at the time.
I'm your father, your father, my pitney.
So what? My father, you are the pitney, but you are 18.
Daddy, you know that me talk about the boy. What me fi do fi get him?
Oh, you have a crush?
Yeah, a long time I want him.
Long time you want him? So why you never get him back then?
You never have a man.
You could never have a man back then. You see, that me use catch you now. You think you could have a man back then? With a chop off your head. You understand? But anyway, if you want to get a man, is he a good man?
Yes.
You might work?
I'm not so 100 sure about that. Yeah, do I have money?
You have money? What you call money?
Money?
Because
go foreign and come back.
The last time I see your cousin, they tell him mother say him man have money and how the man are going to fly out him and the whole entire family. All me going to look for my passport, you know. They call me say me have to travel with my sister. Did they? Boy come a yard night and day and say yes, flight book. Take all my passport, you know. And take everybody passport, say book flight. We did it like I either catch with done, so we don't know what going on in the society. We did it.
Why my head tough, so I am my father for sure.
But me talk no? We did it. 1 week passed when it come down to the flight time now. Boom! Boy, they know where to find. You know, see your cousin and belly she did left with. See? Boy gone. Left the unwanted pitney. Sometimes I mean I want 2 little crackers go in down there. The poor little pitney. Eh? Now they get 6, they go 7 here now. For sure, yes. No man now come check my family them again. So here what me I tell you say, if you love him without money, me will say. But if I money I love him for don't involve me in it, call nobody now trick me again.
Actually you're the fool. But anyways, daddy, more money if you buy something to eat. See, I just say you carry biscuit, must go get it.
Oh God, you just tell me say the boy have money and you come beg me? You know if you come so?
Me not just tell you say man show me off.
Oh, maybe something wrong with you.
What's wrong with me? Me obi?
I can't tell you.
If me go you me get it from my daddy.
And if you turn up and rank with me, I'll wet you for the Pepsi. Me tell her that. If you get a good man, you have to adjust yourself properly.
Me walk up to him, no, I run me the road.
You cannot look a man and just like that.
Oh, me just.
It's just like somebody I go down a bridge.
Go down a bridge?
Yeah,
But come here, you pity.
I don't give a damn. Me nah pick side.
Anything me do, me take care of my parents.
I never sell front before.
Me don't know if I have front, you know.
You better go on here, you know. You better go on back up. You better go on back up. You damn bright, but sell front.
Oh God, this one just hot so. Girl, I really have my laps for you. How you have to stop for me? You know, see me naked. No, see my stop. I mean, are you? No.
You me a talk to?
You see that you
Girl, are you in the black and red? Are you me a talk to?
Oh, me a talk to.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
There. You knew in that era, first me answer about them place.
No, I'm in here, that's how I live.
Oh, maybe I should be there for a while still.
Yeah, probably that. Come here and say, when I tell me things that my sister you're looking at.
No, sir.
Come here and say, man, I normally admire me, not a lady, that 2 p.m. me no mind.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, me no know.
But anyways, me not talk about man, me talk about me and you right now.
Yeah, we're going for me and you.
See how pass and me and say, I say the black, the chocolate look nice. As you know, that one, you know, the little spotlight there.
Oh, you know, so we can't text over the internet and get to know each other. No, me no want to rush in or nothing.
Well, that not sound bad. That not sound bad. Would I take the number?
Business number.
Eh? I mean a business number. Anyways, I'm not busy. As long as I get a number. As long as I'm getting a number, I don't care. You alright, little girl?
Right. Kayla is the name. What's yours?
Oh, you can call me Chris.
Chris?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we talk. Yeah. Big up yourself.
Sis, you know what say? I feel like say you go back in a church though. Cause the boy there would make one good brother-in-law. No. You don't can't tell me who and who for there. You see that man there? You see where you look? I don't even know if you have money. Me want money and you want money. I don't have time for you to look no man for second round. Man, broke pocket man for second round. Wait. You see me give me business number because a business me give my number for you. Business me give me fast. So listen to me now. You see true. You see now me. You see if you never talk too much. We if you never use your mouth or yap your mouth too much. Like a full body. Mommy would have there right and put a few work. But see if you chat too much. Go talk about man under bed. Daddy, man under the bed. You talk too much. No, me have to work.
They tell me the liquor fufu so. But me see man under the bed, so I must say daddy, man under the bed.
You chat too much. Me see it and me never say nothing. No, mommy run away.
Then suppose that somebody would do, Luna we never know any man under the bed.
So when daddy then somebody have to let him in the house, though.
Okay.
You have sense. You don't come to me up from my life. Me like the life I'm living. At least man still see me and like me. Me like the life I live. And come on too. I mean, if I true, you know, say me think I should run a long time. From the sight of you at birth, I run away.
Hi, Jay.
Wrong one.
No, wrong one.
Whole life.
Life alright.
You
No,
good?
no, me not good.
Me say me see your friend last night. I was so jealous.
Jealous how?
Because me see her on her head top. In the dark. So me like the man there get it away the good.
So we are try to say now.
Huh?
We are try to say. I say you wanted to.
Yeah.
That you say one day I still not complain. Tonight you can't get it, so.
Boy, I'm not charge so much now. I don't need to jack the price, you know, one.
Look here. This is a pretty and not cheap. It don't cheap at all.
Cost of living is expensive.
Exactly. That's why I have to charge you expensive. And you just say cost of living expensive.
No, I mean like that. I have to reserve some money. My daughter eat a lot, although she 18.
So not going to grass or you're making him go work. She 18, make she go look work.
Yeah, me
Exactly.
push her to get to work, but
You're not push hard enough, clearly.
so you want me to push him, make him end up on the bridge like how, no?
You see for yourself, so Bridge got money.
He got money, but he got embarrassment. It's very embarrassment. Fit say my daughter when me grew up so.
Well, guess what? You know, I know you got embarrassed. Are you woman in take you after?
All the money they come from still, you know?
I know.
Yeah, me just get him off the bridge.
Oh, so I hit me. So one day somebody will get me off the bridge too. So what is it tonight?
Alright, you can let me tonight. If you can carry a friend, you would.
No, me not bring her nowhere.
I pay double.
Okay, I will surely bring her. You can't even go trip with me car next one.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's what we I get. Come on, my friend about.
Alright, we have $6,000 put on phone.
6 grand where? Yeah, idiot.
A double you say, a 3 grand I buy, and I double it to 6.
No, you don't put it there. So I think you come with one bad 50, 60. If you feel generous, you add 70. You want me to look your back to you?
What?
You're deaf.
50, 60?
Coach, not cheap.
On the public stuff on the bridge, and on the private now so bad.
Hey, me private and next one public. Farrell, are you alone? No, yeah, let me see, and the next white man.
No, that 20 grand.
Yeah, that we work.
Yeah, let me later.
At 20 more and then I told you said double. Goodbye.
Wow, what a thing. Pum pum not so cheap again.
Oh God.
Boy, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Come on,
God is the truth, the way, and the life that He has led me to you. Time hot,
you bring me a walk.
Guess what, girl? I got some big mission for us tonight.
So our price range?
Maybe 20 minutes ago, but if not, we can get more.
Like 20 a piece or 20 feet away?
I think feet away can say it go double. So, you see me? So, we can't do that.
So 10 feet and 10 feet?
Nobody here who want 10 or too cheap.
I ask if I 20 a piece, you get 20.
I don't know about us 20 minutes ago, I don't know how it go. So, you come in or out?
Yeah, you can come in for the job, I'm thinking about it. You know, feel like I can move to me too. Oh, yes, I can. You can go to 60.
Yeah, idiot, girl. For all
you
of
know
it.
40.
Okay, so check out what in the next 5 years time.
You know what we are talking about? What we are talking about? Mm-hmm. Right, to the mouth.
Go look work at supermarket.
Go take up a book if you do. Book if you take up. So we are saying now, later what time or so, cause
girl, usual and guess what? This one I got money in and just me with it. Yeah, did this yesterday in the bush.
Girl, that's one bad client.
I know that. I hear about it. Oh. So you want to teach me those words, cause this one you see, what am I saying? Oh God,
yes, girl.
So can get a nice
yes, you see what happened last night? I'm original client and that. Even make the most money off.
Oh well, at this one I'm making most money off.
Okay, now yourself, girl. No, we teach and shred the ropes.
Yes.
Right, them there I come walk on the road. We need a bag to time hot.
Well, right now you know what I gotta do. Now I go on my damn yard, cause I'm tired. Me did just have to go check my clinic, I'm broke right now.
Alright.
Yes, later.
Come on. So you got to come with your time, what you want to do for me work?
Oh, you hot.
Oh. Welcome, Miss Shaman.
Hey, you alright?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I just me there here and wait for and come if I say come back in that place or something.
Mm-hmm.
And between me and Miss Shaman, I like him.
Okay. Well, there's a long time I know you and you're a good girl. Yeah. So, me wouldn't see nothing wrong with you and him at talk. So, for a long time you like him?
Yes, long time, from school days.
Okay, you tell him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, you did that talk earlier, I'm single long, so somebody I wait for him now.
Alright. Well, we will talk. Oh, see my come there.
Talk to him.
See? Talk to him, man. Don't be shy. A long time in the knock.
Mama, that's all.
Yeah, right.
That's all.
Give me one now.
Mommy, see son hot.
You can't give your mother a guinea. Oh God, how that? I wonder.
Where are they so?
We just a cool out. Let me see. PT. You remember? A long time when we used to run up and down and play and everything. Yeah, man.
I'm a friend.
Yeah, man. And when you're in there, she helped me out, you know. Yeah, man. A good girl. A good girl.
Thank you very much for helping out, mommy.
Yes, so welcome. Well.
Amen. All right.
Why you shy?
Look at me shy.
I saw you say thank you. The girl won't give you a hug, man. Hug up the girl and say thank you, now.
Hug. I get a lot of hugs, but when Marie, she hugs, she said that she hugged me, and she hugged me again. Don't want hug bloody day. But I say no.
Think so you two make a nice couple, you know?
I'll show something.
Cause she nice and perfect and round and everything. Perfect skin, not a scar, everything.
Scar upon her foot.
No, when me did that really do. I'm a job.
Oh.
Remember?
So you caused the scar.
No, I know. But that's not my cup of tea right now.
What's your cup of tea?
No, nobody wanna stay single. I don't have time for the relationship.
What you do with my real son? You? No one woman?
No offense, but I don't try any money. I don't want no. You understand that?
Yes. But me like you.
Yeah, me like me too.
You
Me
like
like you too as a friend.
Okay, so constant a person now? Not as a friend.
I feel like I sit next to you. Mommy, when I don't come up in our yard, yeah?
Yes.
Are we having a buckle?
My chia seeds.
You start walking about with seeds now. How much seeds this?
A chia seeds, man.
How many seeds? They look so. Not my swing.
I'm a nutrition.
You drink it?
Of course.
Yeah, take it.
You don't know what's good for you.
Anyways.
5, 4.
Yes, man. Bye.
Yes, Bob.
Do that. Yeah, later, here.
Alright, me see you in the house. You ever love your belly? Go look.
Alright.
No worry, hush. Trim just come and him tired. Him head not fully settled in on that. You'll talk to him, yeah? Alright, don't give up the ghost. Never say never, yeah? Don't give up.
Alright, I'm going to take the breeze.
Nah, I'm not wrong you. Me soon come.
Okay.
What is a one? Huh? What is a one? Pan road. Huh? I go fresh up myself to get ready to go up on a mission later. I am going to the villa. I am going to cool out,
so you have money
enjoy my... How old are you?
Yes, yeah.
Right, so
Hey,
what I mean? Me means I have to mind you again. I don't have to feed you again. Me could have put you out, but I don't put you out. I let you stay in the house because if they put you out by your own and anything happen to you, you know, you say me as a bad father. China need a lot of work down there, supermarket down there. You go get yourself a work, I go hard. If you go hard, I'm going to mind you. Because I know say...
Daddy, catch a breath. Me say boy, Maya.
So what does have to do with me?
See what I pass. I'm tapping mother say my talk to him.
So if me, I look a girl, and the girl don't want me, and me see him mother come, if supposed to stop him mother, tell him daughter, if love me.
Your mother say me a right match for him too.
I go and tell her something, never you buy love. Never you choosy, nor bite. You hear? Never you trust love, nor buy love. You understand? Never you run down somebody who don't want you.
I want time running down.
You're not listening, pay attention. How you learn in school? That's why you only get one subject.
After your fault, you didn't spend the money.
I was spending my money, but you were skipping class to my yard. Anyway, get it me now.
But you know you chop off me already.
No, I told me never want to go to prison for you.
Oh, you know.
Anyway, you cannot run down a man. You say if a man don't want you, you leave the man alone. You say the man pay attention to other woman, you leave that man alone.
What me can do if I pay attention to other woman?
You need, if you can't straighten up yourself, a man not go want you. A man watch how woman dress. A man watch how woman operate. You say if you're going to be a tick in a man's life, red flag. Man want freedom, man want space.
Are you look mommy or mommy look you?
Me can't tell her how me meet your mother, but since I was 18, me tell her then. I meet your mother over the bridge. Right? I see her and I like her and I love her so much. I'm passionate. Because that's how I meet all of my women. Them over the bridge, same way, it don't really matter.
So did I give mommy bun?
Listen now. It's not born, you know, hear what me I say. I love your mother so much till I take him off of the bridge. Make him stop the prostituting. Fall in love so much till me breed your mother. Right? Take care of you. But they always say, what in the blood, stay in the blood. Your mother, one day, you know, see, you notice you see your mother again? Few much years now, 10 years straight. Your mother take up yourself and go foreign and go marry a white man.
A green card that.
And not even file for you, for show you. And him and the man left and he have his citizenship over there. But I call Donald Trump, we tell Donald Trump to look for you because she run off over there. I make sure I get a contact to Donald Trump, make Donald Trump send her back out here because me now suffer all the 10 years with you alone. I don't get back revenge.
Tell me hungry. This not for me, baby.
You should have put salt and pepper on your damn idiot. Go up. But you're there away from a man. You get a man clone you. I want to know man, you come like a sardine in a tin. Stink when you pull.
Something.
Well, mommy.
Why in your hot, man?
Yeah, you know, I buy AC.
Huh?
No, man, a hot breeze come out of this.
You are a big shot soldier with big money and can afford a month or so you can buy your mother AC.
So you go, when the time, man? The time right now. Yeah, so
So how you treat TT, so man? How you treat her so cool?
Who names her?
Tiana.
Oh, the girl. I don't say me treat her cool, but no, I'm not depending on something there. She a force up on me too much. But anyways, find a nice girl.
Tiana?
Yeah. No, one nice black chocolate. I'm so can't come here to make you meet her.
Oh. But like how you know you already, where you know this one from?
See me see her in that area. But
sometimes what them say better the devil, you know. You don't know TT already.
I'm a friend.
She like you already.
Yes, but friends like me as friends.
When wanty can't get no wanty.
I mean, stop going to. I keep TT as a friend.
Alright, you must
when
know.
When me want her, she have boyfriend and she never did want to give me a chance.
So you did want her then?
Did.
Me know, so you did like her.
Yes, but me go away and me come back with different mindset. My mind change now.
You stop dream about her now? Right. The way you used to call her name in your dream?
No, you don't go reach so far.
Yeah, no reach so far.
And she alone TT, our anime, me there watch it.
Me born now, me born just now.
Anyways. Tell her me so care, no new girl come here, make you meet her, make sure you be nice. Alright?
Me on the orders now.
Me not go always do what you want me to do, but me always do the right thing you want me to do.
As long as you do the right.
Alright, me go hold her fresh.
Alright. Who hot man?
Mommy.
Hey.
Oh, go on.
Well, you come out with big cigarette. Things say you're trained and I get your body fit. And they put that poison in you.
This not, don't do nothing. Up on the road, me I go. Mommy, I can't do yard every day. Sit down with you. I have business to take care of, you know that? So I have to go up on the road, man, and do what I have to do. Yeah, so I tell her, say me I go on the road, but I not tell her what time to expect me, but I go be back.
We going on a date?
No, sir. A business me I go deal with.
You do business with TT?
Mommy, you come back with that again.
You do business with TT, them me no mind. Me no mind her as a daughter-in-law, you know.
Mommy, me I talk about government business. Papers. Yes, them type of business. Them I got bank, me I got the tax office, whatever. Me I just already some business.
But all work and no play makes Baba a sad boy. So check in with TT now.
Mom, how much I talk to you about that?
Dum dum dum.
Where we are talking
dum dum dum. We can't see the two no cute, you know.
No,
we can't see the two now walk down the aisle.
No,
I mean, I'm a pretty dress. I mean, I cry for my son to get married to TT.
Mommy, no bother with it.
What?
I tell her, TT is my friend. I understand me give her a friend. I put her in the friend zone. So she still over there. So she can't want up more than she cannot be too greedy. She fi even thank God so she get a chance to be my friend.
Are you special so? She get a chance to be your
Mommy,
friend. Alright.
you want her to be a daughter, get yourself another son and then. But not for me. No me. Me and her not gonna be no no married part or nothing. So if you want her in the family, get another son. You know what I said? Get another son. Me I go on the road, me have things to deal with. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright, we gone inside. We come over. Walk good.
Hi.
Hello everyone, spot so.
This is only spot you have to pass in here so I can see you. So I'm going to come out to the sun.
I'm good man, me I go on the road and do some business.
Me tell you something like you, me want you.
Yeah.
You look like you're not here.
What me tell her say? What me tell her say?
You want we to be friends.
Okay.
But me not tap till me get you
Tell
so.
her, stop go to my mother. Stop go to my mother provoke me. Me can't live in peace in the house up there, you know.
I mean not tap till me get you now.
Me tell her say we can be friends. Satisfy, you know.
With benefit?
No.
Okay then. Me not
None
tap.
of the above.
Me not tap till me get you. You know here go?
Listen to me.
Has
Every
I
time
just-
God, me good man. Every time God say you get the friends.
Me water.
No.
Oh.
Every time God say we are friends.
Friends?
You understand?
Friends?
Because we could never be nothing
right,
more.
thank God we're friends with benefit.
We
Amen.
are friends.
With benefit. Alright,
Friends.
what going on?
No good man.
Yeah, baby.
No come by my name. Don't
Me
call
like
so.
your fit. It
Call me
fit.
Chris. Yes, my fit fits. Your fit.
Yes, your fit fits. Baby.
Hello, I'm not a baby. I'm not your baby neither.
Why not have play hard to get? What I'm
No, I'm not hard to get. You know, say we not three. It depend where you depend. Me depend where you depend right now.
No, I am. Me don't talk.
Yeah, alright. Continue on me then. Me
So,
can't
babes,
tell her
how
say
you
nah
move,
go
so?
work. Watch it out. Where name? TT.
B me name.
TT.
Then call me B. No, B.
TT.
B.
TT.
B. You know, you're good hour.
TT, listen to me.
B, me
Give me
say.
some peace of
Stop
mind.
calling me name
Give
now.
me some peace of mind. Now.
Peace of mind? Come at me go over your yard and you get peace of mind.
Me good. If I that the peace of mind you want to give me, me no want it. You can't keep it. Hear me I say to you. Stop sit down and say daytime and I look out for me. Me not depart, me not in it.
But they have to pass yourself to go up or down.
Yeah, me run out of me I run away now.
I mean run back on your camera if we have to go make baby.
TT, watch now. Just stop go to my mother, please. Just
If you
see me
just
one day,
agree with me
one
for
day
there
and
with
talk
me,
to
you go listen to your yard too.
Me I think about it.
Think about it?
Yeah.
Think about it yourself.
No, me can't think about it so. If me think about it, so me go tell you a lie.
Tell me a lie, better you tell me a lie.
I'm think about it. I'm think
No.
about it. Nobody I'm think about it.
Think about your yard. Me come on your yard later.
No come on me yard. Me think about it. Don't come on me yard.
Alright, B. So I'm move now?
Me I go up on the road.
Then if you want to hug.
No hug me night.
Alright, baby.
Don't do that.
Stop move, son.
Go on your yard.
Come and we'll go up.
Who are your girl? Me I go on it.
So go on, babes. Me sit down here, so. Go on. Yeah, wait.
My name Chris, not Babes.
I'm in name B.
TT.
Mama, Pepsi, the one you done to be. Oh, God. Look, girl. Come here. Afternoon. I say afternoon. Right. What your parents?
Well,
My mother named Keisha, father named Jerry, and my sister Kayla.
Who?
Kayla.
Kayla.
Mm-hmm.
Kayla. The tall black Margaret girl with the black and red hair, she was at a bridge.
Mama,
your sister?
I know you chat about my sister in this.
Mama, I know that
I know you chat about my sister. And that me I try tell you.
Lick me in my face. Lick me in my face.
Me no want lick you. But just I know you chat about my sister.
Where you come from?
You don't even know that.
Me ask her where you come from.
Come from down so.
So you have to take the answer like a pissy tail girl. So long you take the answer one question.
People pissy tail skirmish.
James and me attack.
What problem?
I know my sister said I'm bridge, you know.
What problem?
She a give food.
What problem?
One problem. Me just stop and ask her because you give me attitude.
Are you first?
Let another coffee.
Don't start where you can't finish.
Yeah, how much?
You need to know that.
Your brain can't piss, look girl. Come here, move in front of me.
People like a now go live long.
Man, your sister going dead, member front in cell. You might get shades and care con give you. Bright. Cho. Me body a bone me fi sit down. So me shine you know pass me so like you cannot see me. Me charming. You don't know say me a talk to your son earlier. And him a blush now, you know. And thing, but he no want to hug me, still a push me off. Me tell if he talk to me, he's like, can I talk to me, Shani?
I talk to him. But
and he not work with what me I do. Cause me like him, you know. I would have loved to stay in this area.
So him I gonna make you stay in the area?
Yeah, cause me love him till me fool.
Well, he did fool from morning, but he make you fool, he more fool.
Yeah.
So what? So if Bob come tell you if you chuck off of a bridge, you gonna go jump?
Me ask him which one of the bridge them and me chuck same time.
No, girl, you know, for make man make you an idiot. So maybe if you cool down little, he will come round, you know, cause him like you. Cause if him never like you, he wouldn't talk to you. Cause him ranking out.
That's true.
So like change your approach, little. Maybe you're coming on a little bit too strong.
So me, I know what you tell me. See, I tell her say me alright, nothing wrong with me. No, you tell me to change my approach. Well, if you go to him, baby, you know me like you, so.
Well, that's work.
Or if you say, you know what I want you to do? What me do? Tell me what you do. Let me show me your son, you know. And he's like, I cannot talk to him.
Well, may I talk to him, but him have him own a mind. Him have him own a mind.
But your mother.
I can't control him, I go do. All I can do is influence and guide.
But a soldier man, me want. Me want him.
Well, if it's to be, it will be. You can't get what is that for you, and what is for you can't unbe for you.
You want me put on lashes?
If you don't like you the way you are, you can't change for people here. You just be you. And the right one will come. He will come round, man. I saw him mistake. I saw this mistake from him little bit. Him say him no want this, him no want that. And then when you bend the corner and him think say, you know, looking gone straight into the pot for the same thing him say him no want. I saw Bob stay, man. Him say him no want it and him resist. But keep on him, man. Keep on him. Cause I wouldn't mind you as my daughter.
Right. Woulda cook for you everything. I wanna sick. You clean the bottom. Me not clean the bottom, you know, but
alright. Me not call down sickness for myself. May I tell you, say, sometimes it's easier to catch bees with honey than vinegar. So change, if one approach no work, try a different one. Maybe try a bit more hard to catch. Alright. And me I run to the shop before it closes.
Okay.
Alright. But we'll talk to him again for you.
Alright.
Aye.
Oh God.
Oh, go on.
Me there, where you go?
You know, see how you may look for?
Where you looking for your number? You could just call me.
No, I don't really want to call you, see? I just want to walk and look for you. I want to show you that love still exists. You have to walk a mile, 100 miles, 200 miles. So if I walk, I have to walk you whole area, I walk you whole area.
You know, say, if I never for my sister you to see me, you know why? Because I see me and walk and look for. Because I send her out and all and she can't come back.
Oh.
So I walk and look for her. So why you depend differently?
Yeah. I said, boy, one time I see you and we talk. You have made me just at 40. You have made that.
Yeah, think about it.
Yeah, me I never.
So how you not text me?
As me tell you before,
really like text people. You see me? Me call you, me rather call you, but true, when I give me the account, the number.
Yeah, me get the business number.
Yeah, me see Panny say business hours and but true, me not do no business.
No,
I don't know what
man.
business I do. But true, me not have any business.
Online banking.
Oh, but true, me not have no business. I don't call you.
No, you still can call, still can text. So just to get a number, just in case if you don't do business. Because I don't really know you take my number for.
What kind of business?
No, you don't need to know what you not do business. Whenever you do business, we know about the business. Because people nearly not too admire me too, you know.
Oh, so you're good though?
My son.
Good evening.
Yeah, do send up a sidewalk or talk to yourself.
Mommy, you know here the
Me
beautiful
hear
lady
nobody. Are you me at talk?
Mommy, me turn up your side, me hear the girl tell her good evening.
What girl? Me hear nobody.
Mommy.
You know hear the
me I talk to the beautiful chocolate, you know see?
Which beautiful chocolate?
The
you mean
romance.
bitter girl?
You mean bitter girl?
You mean
Listen
bitter
to
girl?
me, lady. Listen to me carefully.
We you touch up the bitter girl for you, no mind.
Mommy.
Mine, you turn bitter too.
Mommy. Stop with
Not
the
because I like you say now and we you go like you want disrespect me. Don't get me from my wrong side of the evening, you know. Do not get me from my wrong side.
Watch out. Hello,
a train
ladies.
station, everybody
Ladies.
name you.
Ladies.
Miss Chuchu.
Ladies, just calm
If
down.
you all couldn't motherfucker.
Hello.
Improper fraction, lady. You can't argue with me for.
You're a big woman too.
You're a big woman.
You're big something. You're big something.
Mommy.
Everybody know you're big something. Chuchu train.
You can't look at me from myself. What? Our problem is come on my way now.
Come now. 2:30 at the 3:30.
Mommy, just wait.
At the 3:30 at the 3:35.
Mommy.
At the 3:45.
Hello.
The train are coming at the station now, little girl.
360 seat, yes sir. Take it now.
Chuchu.
Run out,
Chuchu, you run away.
Mommy, tapping nice now. You're a big woman, you know.
Yeah, and tell your Chuchu piss
Mommy,
himself.
tapping nice now. Tapping nice now. You're a big woman. Where you
How you can't piss it here? You must be the piss it
You have manners, little girl. He's a big woman to you.
Hello.
Never open.
Mommy. Amen. Jesus.
Box me all lady. Box
You want it. You want it. You want it.
Mommy,
Just show me your right. Hello, never go to business, man.
Piss up yourself, the little chuchu mama. Hi. Chuchu.
Mommy. Yeah, what?
How you do a talk with that young girl?
You're a big woman, you know.
Me I always tell you, say, show me a company, I tell you who
I the girl me I tell about. Mama, why you big out your eye them so far?
Go and get training for turn idiot. You mean to say you have the nice browning that love you all. That is a good girl.
Listen, me ask you one question.
Tell me say she would chuck off
so
you.
Watch out, me ask you, what is love?
You have to ask that.
Listen now. I know how things now go how you want it. You understand? You not really run my show right so. Say me say more she or she more. You know tell me who me for there with.
You know who she be? You know who she be?
Yes, a nice girl.
Well, I hope you wear rubber and tire and chaparlin and everything all in a one with that there. Me can't tell you what to do.
You know, so me not hold in conversation now.
Well, you're a big man, so before hold it with you, anything I do you, and you say, you never know about that, and me people are gonna blame. So, while you're big and you're strong, carry the chaparlin, carry the rubber, carry the tire,
Amen.
and carry the breeze with that there. Yeah, me not done, but me gone. Oh.
Sell me or sell who I buy. Me sell when me old and me sell when me young. You have to sell in the sun or sell in the night. Sell me or sell who I buy. Me sell the old and me sell the young. Road empty, sir. Anybody, somebody?
Oh yeah, sell.
Huh?
I don't see you with no basket. Me yeah say you sell the old or you sell the young.
Me sell the young, but you look extra young. What if you sell? No must underneath me.
Huh?
You buy or not buy? Me a sell this way God give me. Me not no money for feed myself. You buy?
Me never buy nothing. Me just see you ball out say you sell.
Alright, go on. Can you build me market? Somebody a come. Me sell when me old and me sell when me young. How you look for? You buy or you want peak? You have to pay for peak, you know.
Me good man.
Alright, you seem like you're young. You don't know nothing about them as free stuff. Anybody say? Boy, this a idiot boy. Every time I come from in yard,
Food, not even boy.
Food.
No, me say me I go cook some food for daddy getting here good.
Oh, yeah, go cook some food for daddy get.
Yes.
You feel like your father eat that. Your father used to the street. I was a pimp back then. Make sure me tell you right now. I was a gigolo. I was the biggest gigolo. So you rather follow my footstep?
No, me follow mommy footstep and see mommy achieving life till he reach foreign.
Puss and dog don't
have the same luck. Right.
Oh, so you feel say your puss have the same luck? You feel say you have the same luck as your mama?
Me not feel me no.
Let me tell you first thing. You say if you can't learn to wash your jars properly, you can't reach where your mother reach.
Me not tell you say if you wash your jars then for me I don't want
you see, if you can't cook, you can't reach. Come out of the road, let me talk to you. Come on, where so? Let me talk to you. You see, if you cannot cook, you can't do what your mother do. Or everything you see your mother do, you have do. Me not raise word.
So mommy did that?
No, my fault. Yes, your mama was one of the biggest.
Alright, so me not go follow her then.
I could have ever see. And I
who make she reach where she done wrong do? Me want reach higher than her, so me go follow her footstep.
Let me tell you this. You have a degree?
Daddy, sometimes you just chat and no.
Do you have a degree?
No,
real who have a degree because they know how to handle themselves.
Me not have a degree, me have hacks or dove.
You
roll on.
You come from man, you mumble about man. Every time you go over there, food. So that's all your body works for, food.
Yeah, for yam say, alright, you ever, no daddy, I mean daddy, me can't talk with you.
Me feel like Sin follow me.
Some bad
Sin really follow me.
Daddy, me ever get helicopter? Me do that and nearly pop out the wall of my brain them. Watch out.
No, I'm sorry, the day me.
Me all hot. The some food me say me not go cook for you now.
Father God, why me? Why? Why me?
I think
Out of all the father in the world, and me are the only man stuck with something like this.
You know me I think for that bridge?
Jesus Christ.
Can me see girl them up on the bridge them ah? And I sitting so me I go try it to daddy.
Why yard? You wait till I come up. You wait till I come up. Damn bright.
Hello, where you come from?
Up the road.
Look how long me send you on. You can take so long.
I want a girl that tap me and tackle me.
What girl that tap you and tackle you about?
You say you're a whore, and you're a slut, and you're a prostitute. You're a slut and a prostitute?
I take a stone and
away
bust
girl
off the
say
high forehead.
Away girl say that's why me ask you.
Me ever see me yourself? Me don't like slut, me like prostitute.
Me don't know.
You ever catch me on a bridge yet? Listen to me.
The girl ever catch up on a bridge yet?
Top everyone argue with me. So to me I say, see next time I say no to you, no stamp on the road and hold no conversation with nobody about me. You go where me send you and come back.
Alright.
You come and tap. I say can you come around and make people in an argument, you know? Say can you come around and people in an argument? You make me come around and people in an argument with me. Go in the yard!
Just like you should. Wait now.
Alright, yes, sir. What one?
Nothing.
All is well? How was last night?
I'm if you asked that, how was last night?
Oh, excelente. Excelente, man. I tell you.
So where's the next one tonight?
Wow?
You deaf?
Let me ask you a question. Free runs?
No.
Bonus?
No free nowadays.
Bonus then, bonus.
You're not VIP, so you can't get bonus. Upgrade to VIP, then you will get bonus.
So now, you tell me something when me not get in my hand, and I like to stay in my hand, as you not done, you not gone with it. Because I not buy you, rent it. Me stop. We man is idiot. I not buy front, I rent it. Because if I buy, you in our house. We rent it.
Shut up. Anytime you buy rice and flour over a house, it stay forever? No, it doesn't.
No, it's still there until we belly full and we all right and we're nice.
Well, I stay there until you're satisfied and you're alright, so you got no excuse.
No, it's rent. I no buy on
well,
kind
even
of
if you rent, me sure no save rent.
Full time now.
Expensive.
We are buying. Alright, you see next time, I want to know for the week, for the same 20 grand. That's a buy.
No.
I have one go and use on
One day, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. You see how far that go now? Okay.
No, listen. When you buy something, I tell a man, say, you sell, right? We're supposed to have one until when I want. Let you know.
No, anytime I go to shopkeeper and shopkeeper say, this year for this year. Well, if you want me for the week, fine, but you got to pay money.
Yeah, shut them out. When I buy Alaska or anything, it's stay at my home until it's done.
But you're not
That's
listening.
what you're supposed to do.
No.
You stay at my house until we're done with you.
Shut up and listen to me. Anytime I go to shop, right? And the shopkeeper say, this year ferry. You can't go and say, me I go use it for such and such amount of time, say for this and this and that. You can't tell shopkeeper that.
I see, and you see, this is the thing when I'm younger. What like when I use on the head pan we. So we old. But you see my daughter now, I just catch my daughter down saying like in myself front secretly, you know.
Not a fear your daughter business.
I don't know. That neither. She not getting no money. Food, that's all. Food. Right now me I pick Aki and me I go depend on for dinner.
No business. That a fear your daughter problem. How me reaching at this so.
If that the road ain't want go down, you got
send him money.
No.
Look here.
I know be the one to send my daughter money.
Me no business boy and you're picking it.
Alright, check me tomorrow. Let see what me have.
30.
Me can't promise you 30.
You have to give me 10 grand for Dr. Bill. You know the bell and everything.
Dr. Bill?
Yes, you have to go clean up yourself.
So me responsible to clean up?
Yes. I do it. If me get no I me catch you from.
You know, we'll see it tomorrow.
So 30. Let go take no 30. 30.
25.
28.
20.
29.
Me no bother want it.
Me no bother selling either.
Go on with it.
I'm going.
Damn bright. Me get a sample like me no business.
Hello. Hey there. I'm in the shade. I want to talk to you. Wait, before I say no. Now start to say. Everybody's my If you never stand at the side with vagabond girl, I wouldn't have to say nothing. Ranking vagabond girl at that.
Mommy, I can't do them something like. You see me turn up with somebody attack, you wait. You know what you say to your mother. I can't say them something like.
Me say nothing to her. Me say nothing to the little chiggerfoot. Eh?
You see,
me I talk to you and me not talk to she. Me never say nothing to she till she twist her foot in my face and want to rank with me.
No,
she don't know me and who you know, my head sick, you know.
Mommy, I can't say you embarrass me wicked to them and all that.
Well, if you never stand with vagabonds, you wouldn't be embarrassed.
No call the girls. Everybody have feelings, you know. She a female too, you know.
She have feelings, yes. She have feelings and the whole world know her feelings. The whole of the bridge, under the bridge, over the bridge, and round the bridge know our feelings.
What's the man? Anything you keep it to yourself. Nobody needs to know your thoughts. Nobody needs to know what you want to say.
Me I tell you,
me know I hear nothing from you. I don't need to hear it. You know no manners. You out of
Hey, but remember who you talk to, you know. So nobody pass your place, you know. Nobody pass your place, you don't know how you talk to, you know.
Wrong, me I gotta tell us you're wrong, and you are very much wrong. You cannot do that. You understand?
If the chiggerfoot never rank with me in the first place, me wouldn't put her in her place.
So now are you first face with her and you come, me not see nobody. We are talking to me not see nobody.
So better me not say nothing. If me not have nothing nice to say, better me not say nothing at all. I tried to say nothing at all.
Why did you say something to her?
She come rank with me.
You know, make it
You know, sister, me tell you something, me not talk to. It's only you, me saying only you me I talk to.
You need to fix your attitude.
You need to find a banana leaf, wrap it with if that you're going.
Everything good, man.
Remember the tripolin. Go buy the tripolin. Go buy the rubber. And I'll use banana leaf too. Cause ears hard, you're gonna feel. Fire! About me drink.
Jesus Christ, look at dirty girl. Come here there.
Well gone, girl.
No, I'm gone. Guess what?
What happened?
Today, me see man where we gone. You know, yesterday? Yes.
What do you know?
I see him today. And it's a bigger food.
So sometimes I look
girl, when I say bigger, I must say 5 day and 5 day 100 grand.
I'm not too know what that type of work there, but I feel like I get too greedy now.
How may I get greedy?
You want
you
more.
have
You
to
last
live.
night, you want again.
Look up on you. Are you boss me now? You forget say sometimes 5 people in a one day. You forget, but you never did know say that greedy.
Just I did but then
okay, well I know me take it
well,
great from.
something to tell a girl.
What speak?
I see one little boy, I like her. This man, he mother that try to style me, you know, but I have a dog up in the most way, you know. Hey, alright. But I see the boy and me have like catch a feelings him like him and me I plan for come out of like a business here.
Look here, you see any feelings you catch, you better let it go out here.
Why?
Simple. Girl,
I plan to
look
tap this business, yeah.
Cup on them, yeah.
Yeah, me here.
A man do that?
No, me
them a way I wear. A man do it?
No, I'm not into it.
Kiss me teeth.
But girl, he will work and mind me. He will foreign and fly, go and fly, come back.
I
We need a relationship right now.
So if I never find you do that with him?
I'm still there with him.
Look here, the only
need a relationship.
The only relationship you need is with God. Once you have God, you're alright. You don't want anymore.
But God can't give me what I want.
Who I give what you want then?
God
if I
can't
never God,
down here, so.
If I never God, how you don't have money and life and everything? Okay.
Me not say God no help me, but girl, sometimes I need like a warmness. I need somebody who go be there for me. You see, little thing on me, I don't know, it's not right.
Oh.
Me I sleep with everybody. That's not a relationship. I want something real.
No, that's a cruise ship. Because
what change?
You're gonna regret that, you know, girl. Remember me tell you, mark your word the way I come out and me stink out. You see, you're gonna regret that. Watch anytime you go in a relationship.
Alright.
Man a dog, man a go stress you. I want me to say something. I say something about man a this and man a that. Look here, don't do it. Live your life stress free. Enjoy single life. Man a dog, man a shit house, man a everything.
Alright, me not that change. Yes, me not that change.
Yes, the only thing you have to change your clothes and hairstyle.
Alright, me not that change.
Yes, go on your yard.
So when I say about the business now.
Oh, tomorrow. Me the time say me I go link him tomorrow.
Alright, so
yes.
Tomorrow me talk about that.
Yes, text me.
Yeah, later.
Yes.
Fire! Bob! Boy! I like this.
Eh? What's up on the road me I got to as a call me?
And that me I call you about. Since you come, me hardly see you, you know. A road you live pan.
No, but
morning, noon and night. Go and come.
Yeah.
Me just a hotel, just a catch.
Mommy, stop going someone. Where say go on now?
If me wouldn't mind if it's date to the pan. You can leave.
Soon. So go on date. You know, I want to try some.
Yes. You really go fit?
Yeah.
You go fear.
Who?
The one me talk about, that me I tell you,
Who
man, nice and browny TT.
No.
I should love you for a long time, and that me did that say, man.
Girl good and a browning, mommy, a chocolate. And a browning. What? You think she brown? She never brown. You never see her good. She never brown.
Are the choo-choo chain you go for?
She not choo-choo chain, but she wear cars and she may go for.
Boy, how much subject you come out of school with?
3.
Eh?
3.
And you lose all of them.
You still have them.
You lose all of them. You make a little head thing for your big head. Eh? Well, me I go come out with it plain and straight. What is the oldest profession woman doing in the Bible? The oldest profession.
What?
What?
Yeah, that
What you talk about? You're a man. You're supposed to know.
Mommy, you cannot use
That
words for me.
chocolate is used chocolate. Why you think me call her choo-choo train? You know how much man go through this station? She's
That
a prostitute. She gonna bring everything to you. That's why me I tell you if you use the chapalin, use the rubber hose, she a prostitute. Since she ain't know. Prostitute, whore, Jezebel, woman of the night. That is why I not like her for you.
Wait.
That's why me I tell you something go for TT. She's a good girl.
Wait.
You can't go date no whore.
You say she a prostitute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, the internet have everything. Let me see what is a prostitute. Wait.
Mm-hmm. Look up and see if you not see the choo-choo train.
Oh!
Mm-hmm. Choo-choo train.
Whore and seller
You not no picture of her.
She don't know prostitute. No we picture her open. She don't know prostitute, mommy. A nice girl. You know, she's a nice black
choo-choo train. Train station.
You're full of too much argument.
Well, let me ask you one thing for your business. The only thing me beg you since you're determined. Hard days pick me must feel a TT. Me tell you if you go far. But if you're gonna stick to the chocolate, make sure you wrap him. You wrap him like say you go foreign.
Hold them conversation.
Well, we have to hold them conversation because when you come back and tell me, say, Mommy, me have disease, I don't know where me get it from. And me I go come to. So wrap him like say a foreign him I go. That's how me I tell you. Go
on the road.
Go on the road. Go on the road. But wrap him.
Wrap what?
Wrap him.
Wrap what?
Want a joke from Jacqueline, but you have to draw for the rubbers.
So that
For the rubbers.
Go
on before you get too rank.
Okay.
Go on before you get too rank. Rap it, my boy. Rap it good.
Well, Bob.
What?
You good?
Yeah, man. Where you come from?
Come from me yard. Up road me I come go do the business. Oh yeah, do you walk with me go there?
No. Up on the road me I go.
So you not come with me?
No, me have business to take care of. I say me is a busy man, you know.
So me I come on the road with you then go do your business?
No, you can't come on the road. You come, you stay, you got your yard and me come off of the road, me come check you, all that so.
No, me I can't walk on the road.
Go on, girl.
Go on.
No, where's a new kaki? A new kaki? I like it. You feel like you can boss me too.
What do you mean boss you?
What's the power?
New.
What do you mean new?
New
What do you mean new client? What do you mean by new client?
Sir, we are prostitutes. Pam. How are you ashamed of yourself?
And the money some tell me like.
Oh no, not that the one day. Like, let me see now. A prostitute, like you know when you're.
So my mother did right.
No, prostitute.
I'm not talk to you.
Shut up, you can't chat to me.
So my mother did right.
Let me explain to you. I did prostitute one time, but since me meet you, I say I want to change my life. Because I alone, I want.
You really are going to yesterday she told me she not change.
Like I say, I got change.
Yes.
I go get a check and I love to see you more.
Yes, I love you too.
So, that good man.
Yes, come
you
on.
Say I got change, I got change. Me tell you before me I go on the road.
Come on, together. So come on. Bye, girl.
Alright, can't care with me.
Oh.
Dirty girl! Move away from my future husband! You could have bright!
We are do. Come here.
Who this?
What are you doing?
You really want the little self-front girl?
Yes!
You foreign girl?
Yes, me want her. But guess what? I'm in love with the prostitute.
Yes.
You understand?
Bright!
Alright, so please.
Clap that thief. Let that bang a pay man go in who give you nothing.
So please.
Out of order.
What? Hey, don't. Hello.
Now bed girl.
Back away from my girl. Back away. Come on,
out of order. Girl, you see if you don't bang it done so, you don't work out but you don't bang it, Lord.
Right.
Bang it. Okay. Right, you want to argue with me, girl? Out of order.
She said you are for your mother slowly in a big stinking girl.
Why the rain bring her?
Miss Charmian! Evelyn!
Evening, what do you?
You know, say you not do your job good. You not do the job good. Me tell us son me want him. I'm seeing down there with the big dot thinking girl.
For real?
Boss say me in love with her.
Well, me talk to him.
Then you not talk enough.
Me talk. I me even tell him the truth, tell him who she be. And him same choose her. So
you know if you catch he is gonna
me tell him for Rappy. That's all me can do is advise. Me tell him for Rappy with Trapalin, all banana leaf. Wrap him like same body I go foreign. Cause that's the only protection him have is for Rappy.
You know me can't take anything, yeah. You're not talk to him good. If you're not talk to him good, you embarrass
Me can't force him for
But
love.
me look like he that down the same front I look a still front, girl.
Me can't force him who for love. All me can do is talk to him.
Then he mad have a girl and run him so and gone down.
Me not come down of it.
And a long time I look, he look a dirty foot boy too.
Me not condone it, but me can't control him.
What's up?
Mind what you say, still my son. And you see
When I
me
look
now
a
we
dirty
are.
girl, how me not say she come with
Oh, my wife. She gone home. Carry home.
Wife? Which wife?
He say front girl.
Your wife? Which wife?
My prostitute wife. Right.
And that's your brother, boss. You not have no pride.
What? Everybody have one life to live. I'm living my life.
With your prostitute wife.
Yes, and I am very proud of it.
Yeah, all right. So tell me something. Since we're all big people, since you make your decision, you buy coat,
No.
you buy hanger, you buy jacket, you buy tie. Okay, make sure so you wrap up in the whole suit. Come, me not ready for bury nobody yet.
Okay. In cocky go and drop off.
You don't worry about my cocky. My cocky
You're gonna have AIDS, gonna virus,
yes.
HIV, all
The biggest set of guns
and
in the world.
COVID you're gonna come back again.
Okay.
Me I beg, nobody call down disease and sickness. Me can tell you is protect yourself.
Mama, road.
That girl shall breathe and
Road.
get
All right.
Big up yourself.
Me can tell you.
You see when you make sure. Listen, I'm not chatting to you now.
Hi, me not done with you. Come here.
I am very finished with you.
Hello. Last time me check, you come from me, now me come from you. All me I gotta tell you is say me can't tell you who for be me advice. I'm the one. All me I gotta do is warn you one more time. Since you're in love with the prostitute, all me I gotta beg you please and thanks. Come in, I want to have to tell you something. Told you so. Wrap him like say I go on holiday.
You know where about me and my boy. Eh?
Wrap him like say I go on holiday.
Good. We are doing a good job.
Just no say other people energy I take on to, you know.
And I like it. I love it.
You know have no standards. Go along. You know have no standards.
Okay.
Oh God, you was standard.
You wanna come find my wife, you know. You shall go and find my own wife. So you don't worry about that.
No, cause you're in love with the prostitute. You're a prostitute too. Jam fool.
Say, wait till I book all that dirty bitch.
How you come from? Where you come? I go up a yard, you know. So you can't tell me say it up a yard, you know. Where you they come from?
My mother-in-law.
Your mother who? In-law who?
Law. Mother-in-law.
I think when you have boyfriend.
Since we start run down people, man.
So you can't find your own man. God forbid, but you can't. I want one of them day, one of them girl cut a piece of board, knock you out right
then
up.
Then you say one police I come to. So that makes sense what you just said?
You are 18. So I am no longer your legal guardian. You are no adult. I don't give a damn. The only thing me away from is your body for bury.
Nothing wrong.
Because when a young girl, all you do, go on and make mischievous trouble.
Father, all you do, I bring down on the pitney.
Bring it down where? We are talking for the rights. You run down boy when I want you. How you feel do that?
They did run down mommy didn't want you.
I wasn't running down your mommy. I was buying your mommy until I fall in love with your mommy and stop her from doing that job.
Okay, so make me run down him until he fall in love with me. Come out of my business.
The only fall you go fall is by your face.
And that's how you chip up your mouth.
And that we do. You see, when the father or mother talk to you, not take heed. You just think like say, you the world. You free out there. That's why some man come in with belly. If me never turn up strong, you come in with
belly. That's my problem. Me reach the age. Me
not
can't come in with belly if me want.
I have the back of your pee clock for you not bring in belly for me. Cause me now make what happen to my sister pick me, you know. Every night in father I go and toilet out a door. I never know some man in the toilet. That now gonna happen to me.
Man can't in a bamboo.
That not. Yeah, you tell me the real business today now.
Exactly my point. So when they just lecture
Every parents, when them if a outside toilet you have, check your outside toilet before you put your daughter in it. Because the man can't in there.
When I house, me go carry the boy come and soccer him.
Who you talk to?
The father.
Exactly.
No.
I mean, I want to shut your box. You know what I put out you? Because you're 18, if you dash you out the door, make you go look life.
You don't start about 18. You normally say when you're 22.
Yeah, you're adult. But now me feel like it's the time to put you out.
But me have part of share in the house too. Remember, mommy put money towards that, yeah?
You see what your mother put towards that? I re-embrace your mother by booking her flight.
You
I
know,
never know say that was the last flight me I book for her.
You know, say, like when you say lecture me, so when I get hold and John just start follow you, me nah look my
I don't care with you because guess what? I have planned my own burial. Me no want you to bury me.
If you want me buy
me no want neither you nor your mama. That's why you can't get a man.
You can't give curry goat.
You can give them the Roman curry goat. Set up. How about that? Set up out of your mouth again. I can give you 2 tiny hand. Go up. Go take up the jars when we see under the bed bottom. Like rat and bite them up under there. You look like you have to wash them for 6 months straight.
That is style for you.
And that's why every time you buy one jars, because you don't want to wash. You nasty piece of dirty. It come like a one kettle me take up in the house. Eh? I saw the mama, I saw the daughter. You again?
Hello. No, I know me again. What you say I want for later?
Later, so what you say? Now your friend will come this time again?
I don't think my friend will come.
Why?
Can't find man.
Damn! You see, that's why I'm trying to say, you have to second down with eye, cause it's good.
Good how?
Yeah, I like to change the prostitute them. That's how I do. I go around.
Oh well, me no want no body when me and they pick near the same age. Me no feel like me want that.
My daughter 18. So how you how much?
19.
So all nice same age.
Exactly my point.
Don't worry, you can put her out. And you can stay with me. Come just raise her up.
No business, you can't continue to raise him up. No.
I'm mad over one little black boy. When her crush pam, me not know a boy, me never see boy in my life. Me I wonder if I mad, she am mad. Cause me never see that the boy the way my mad over.
Oh.
Me don't know what's wrong with the society of young girl them. They don't sit down and take heed. Then take man instead of heed. You see just like how you come out of school and you gone and selling. Them now think we say boy they want a trade. Selling is not a trade. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Me think the best thing you do is tap the prostitute.
Me I go stop, but me don't feel like me want to stop with you.
And go in some hard or college and further you. Because me believe in you. Me believe you can. Then the money that we make, what you do with it?
I have to survive. Me I build my house and me have to buy my mattress and my stove and my washing machine and me have to buy clothes for put on my body because I cannot walk naked and I gotta at least do my hair because I cannot do it myself and I have to buy food to them because I will die of starvation.
We understand that then.
Okay.
But at least try to borrow a loan.
What me I borrow loan for
and
do?
Push start yourself.
And who pay off that? If what if I borrow loan and I push start myself as I push start me but me to and drop bluff on my face. What you gonna do?
If you walk with the head all high, you won't buck it
me can still walk with my head hold up high. After me can go say me I go walk and go so bluff.
No, me don't mean like that. Me don't mean like that.
What?
You see, me you know, if I did could I go back into the future, I would have tell myself one thing.
What?
if I could go back into the past, I would have tell myself to never go that road. Go the other road. That's the only thing. Come in life would have changed. Would have been the next prime minister this year. This year election have come up. Election passed already, a matter of fact. You know, see our program. I could have did a speech. I could have talking about how to run the country.
I don't think you could handle that, because first and foremost, you can't deal with chat English. How you go run country?
How do you say I can't speak English?
Just like that. Or I cannot speak English.
I know a lot of English. Excuse me, who are you? Hello. So you call me dunce now?
I did
I
not
can
say
twang
you
you now.
Twanging not go nowhere.
You El
You just look like a broke foreigner. My El Bumbo. Oh my God, Bumbo on my shoe.
Huh?
Exactly, shut your crap and top chat rubbish. You speak to me in a rubbish, me stay back to you in a rubbish.
Oh, you're a good girl. Just stop it, man. Stop it. If you say your friend
When
stop,
the time right.
you stop it.
When the time right, I do not see the right person.
I can
to
lend
stop
you
for.
money and push your education further.
No medication reach a limit. You can't go no more. This brain is start malfunction.
How much subject you get?
8.
Yeah, are you self-front?
Yes.
Jesus! I saw the government, they could have gone bad.
Yes, we overqualified. We cannot get anything with them.
You should have just care for go give them talents for you get.
Me can't care for. Me already have a certificate to show you. Me can't.
Rub it off.
You cannot rub it off. Impermanent.
Jesus! Alright, you what? I go and talk to a lawyer. When can make you get a work in the hotel industry or a pilot? Yeah. Go on, man. You smell raw, go bed.
Yuck.
Go on.
Are you there chatting on my face the whole time and you may smell? You can't see me smell myself. Jesus Christ.
Oh, boy, lucky. Just born lucky.
So you say I'm gonna know.
Good, man.
Say now, can go make me get you something? Me hungry.
Man, just like that, man, like that. I hear belly thing, but.
Yes, come here, look, maga done. Little time I start talk to you, I start get slim down.
Just wake up. You have to think about God first.
Me think about God and thank. Yes, me pray this morning. Me thank God for life and everything. But what me I say that little time I start settle down with a no look ya. Yeah, see space in my shorts.
You know, see space in your shorts before.
They normally suck and come normally I eat 24/7. Come I have to build up my body.
Actually, you have to minimize your body. You see me? You know, I get too big. When I get too little, I'm not get too big. If I get too big, I go sour.
Me not sour. When me big, when I meet me never sour.
Okay.
You don't like me I lose a pound.
You have to look to see something, you see me? But I'll tell you, just will get something.
Say now give me some. Really like how you do it last night, you know.
I don't think that you go and do, you know. But
you don't like it. Say one like you don't like it.
Yeah. Remember say you 10 out of 10.
Ah. Okay, I go like you don't like it. I'm saying I'm professional.
Enjoy. I don't tell you say. But they say the head top one. Oh,
yes, a long time I did the head top one.
He good. Still, I like it. No, like, big up yourself on the one.
Hello, what going good?
Yes, my good. What I cannot believe is that. What you do? You say you really changed, nigga?
Yes, you say me change me find a man and me settle down with him. Me change the true girl.
Where man heart for?
Life, happiness, girl. You need to find a man of your own. He asked him to go marry me. And when he married me, go get 50 fly out, girl.
Oh, a safari rich?
Yes!
Where in the door?
No, he not put on it. Me say him go married.
Surprise.
Oh, well. So sorry, sir. Well, me happy for you, but guess what? You see, this you know inspire me to change.
Yes. Me meant to talk to you about it.
Me feel like me have to go find one man like him. But guess what? In this lane and in this generation, I don't think we're gonna find any. So guess what? You see, me I got change and me I go say, me I got top rundown man. Me I go see what
right. Because you're so beautiful, you're sexy and nice. Every man that wants. You understand?
You don't put this so far.
Why?
This about you flat everything.
Hold on.
Then the person.
Couple bump up, I will go up.
Couple what?
Couple bump up. A couple back shot and then we go.
Yeah, me get when me sell all now we can't move. Me feel like say.
Well, you still shape nice and shape bad. Some girl just big and shape bad.
Right.
Yes.
So guess what? Me hope on the last. And
Yes.
me get my best wishes.
Yes, girl. Clap that tea. Yes. Bye.
Wait, clock.
Yes. Bye.
Yes, goodbye.
See that? Yeah. Say now, a friend can't give me friend.
Well, me have a whole heap of friends, you know, but I don't know if they stay like me.
What do you mean by that?
Like, what we do with me though, I don't know, but me have a whole heap of friends, man. Me can't maybe pull two strings.
Yes, and if you pull two strings, because, you know, say I want a good girl, and like, 40 leg in her face, she very nice and unique.
Oh, me not gonna know if she nice, but if I say she nice.
Don't you, girl? You still tell me, person?
What about this one?
Hey, don't bother. Please, man, just like, I beg you. Man, come
How
on.
are you?
Man, just like.
Every time you see me and my man, you they come harass we. What problem?
Man, I feel we man.
Who feel we man?
Show me the ring.
Girl!
Show me the ring.
You see how him love me and him find out say me a prostitute. He find out say me a prostitute and he still want me. We soon get engaged.
Yeah.
Clap that tea. The ring soon up on the finger. Flash that in your face. Dirty girl, you can't argue with me. Get yourself a man.
Hey,
But you see the man no want you. The man do not want you. Ever they push up yourself. The man no want you, girl, back down. Me no busy where you want to call me and me got the man. Out of order. Yes, baby. Yes.
Yeah.
Hey.
Jesus.
No play yeah?
Baby, oh God.
No play
Oh God, my brain.
You good, man.
Hi. You know that girl?
Yeah, I'm not see last night.
Me change and find a man, so my man I'm fine.
So that yes. To this thing.
Me change up my life.
So much girl you.
Titi, are they your mother did you today too?
So.
And that the road your mother did there. So at this man here they run now. You have a crush on that?
Yes.
Titi, me think me brought you up better.
No.
Titi, you see daddy poor and a struggle, right? My money go at the talk shop. Cause me can't say the F shop, so I have to put it in the talk shop. Cause I look like a food me I buy every minute when I go there. And yeah, run down man, you can't even put up
Hello,
two nails for you.
Sir.
Oh yeah, this me man papa.
No, me not. This is just show her something.
No, we are soon get married. A fine he come from.
No, do that.
It time you there, a fight girl over man.
Right.
Then you can't embarrass
Pepsi is good. Drink one a day or two a day. Anyway.
So yet. I mean,
it time you there.
You're blind? Are you lying?
I mean, what is that?
So I see him say me I see that.
I'll name out you like this. That's something disgusting.
No, not my
What
mouth.
is girl? Me I chat to you. It time you there, a fight girl over man. Only look a young girl who gonna take up some education. You have the bungalow jazz them under the bed. Eh? When fly and fall under the bed, me think a beehive.
Are you come and argue with me, girl?
And you come here and fight over man. The time you there you fight over man, you go alive.
Me no pack up no jars up on my yard and no bees hive no up on my yard. Me wash my jars them clean.
Eh? The time you there you fight over man, you go alive. Go take a book and read and get some more education.
Right.
What more subject you get? Let me see me right in front of everybody. Yes, sir. You come in and pay 5. Are you there a fight over man?
I'm not you didn't send me to school.
The money they want me give you to go to school, where you go? Man yard. Right. You come like just your mama.
Like
Are you that this
Eh?
Are you that this
Sometimes I wish she was not my daughter.
I should talk to you so if I never meet me box down that long time.
Who, me? Box them down? Let me
Yes.
teach you something. You see the more strength you waste on them, and the more you get weak.
You could tell a man
Yes.
and girl, you notice me for there, so I try to have little respect.
Hello.
I do man not to have respect too.
Bees hive
You
jazz.
notice?
No bother with it.
Boom boom, tapping eyes, you know.
Are we? I mean, I
You
thought.
touch down somebody mouth here?
No, never.
Come here,
What
let's chat to you.
Never.
Where you gonna lick me for? Me a big or yes.
Tell the people them sorry.
Yes.
Sorry for what?
Yeah, man, we need some apology. And maybe,
Apologize.
and maybe we
And some
let
brought
it go.
Eh?
When we brought you for you,
What about you do? Take
have
it, man.
manners to people.
I'm asking
You not have manners to people. Look
I
at
know
the-
you man being there. I see alien.
Oh, so
Yeah,
I
like
know.
your dirty pooper. And your mama. Take it a bright.
You see, she has
Hey! Hey! Now argue with me,
Go
no.
on up with that.
Me and you put in no dealings. Oh.
So I know
Come on, you know. Better not go.
prostitute. I know you.
Don't spot!
Alright.
Why you here?
Yeah,
Why
man.
you here? Dirty brute. Now wait till I come up. Listen me.
Mm-hmm.
You see people like that there?
Yes.
Now make them come around.
And my friend that.
I feel your daughter.
I hear that.
Well, Aston today is not my daughter.
Okay, come never know
If
say
you
bad.
come back here, come attack you, me give the authority. Say block in 2 foot them but not kill it.
Right. Block it up.
2 foot.
Me will do it.
Make it stay alive.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy.
No. None of that.
Check.
So as me say, babes, no, married soon.
Me don't want one public wedding. I want a private wedding.
Well,
private one,
can do some. We
what
get
about my
some
people
some invitations and them something.
Hello, my son.
Hello, mommy.
A marriage me really
Come
here.
out of this
Come
one.
out to the,
Yeah.
a marriage me really here you talk about.
Yes, me married the beautiful queen. Chocolate. No, babes? Yeah. So,
Hello, my mother-in-law.
Nobody call me that.
mommy, please.
No call me no mother-in-law.
Please, don't bother with it. The morning just not too long come out and me can't bother with it.
You know, say if you get one conk in your head,
Watch out now. Just
you
relax now.
really not learn nothing.
Why you can't, you don't want to see me happy?
You know what? Me no want air me dirty laundry in the road. So, I beg you go home. I need to talk to you. Cause you not listen. You need a conk in your head.
Well, Anna, you come babes?
No. She busy. She can't come right now.
How busy doing?
Me no know, but you're busy. You can't come right now. No.
What do you mean? Your mother do not welcome me at her home, so I don't have to come. You can go on.
Alright, babes. So, me text
And
you.
your vampire.
Alright, me text you. Come on, mom.
Mm-hmm.
Top come out of the yard now.
Wait, who you talk to about stop come out to the
Come
yard?
on
Let me
now.
if I tell you that. Come, I need to talk to you. That's why me not come, man. You not understand. And you make it look like send me a nag you out the streets.
No, mommy, but I know that. I tell you something, find my love. My love and my life.
You too.
Just let me be, you know.
Me can't make you be, but when you me see you, I jump off of the cliff. Me can't make you just go off of the cliff so blind.
Mommy, Kayla make me alright with Kayla, so I'm just satisfied with Kayla.
No, man, you really
She changed for me, you know. She changed because of me.
change how?
She changed for me. She stopped doing something there for me. So I find love and I work with it.
You fi use your sense too. Huh? You find love, you work with it. You're there out with your friends all the time. The 2 minutes you spend with me and think, where is she there right now? You know what she do.
She there, yeah.
Cause you a watch her and know that, right? I hurt me, I try to save you from getting hurt. And worse.
Mommy, why make you hate me so much? Cause I hate you have to hate me, you know.
Which part hate you?
I hate you have to hate me.
I love you. That's why I don't want to see you make the same mistake. You for come do better than me. And better than your grandparents. Each generation for do better than the last. And me see you do wassa. You got me the biblical occupation. Who that know?
Mommy, just let me watch and see.
Ah, hello. Come in.
Good day.
You see how the spirit work.
Oh, Jesus. You like me, Shane?
Yes, my good. You see how the spirit work.
Take a seat,
Huh?
Take a seat, please.
Get invited to sit on my bed, but alright.
So, me Shane, you don't know, say. You go on me get from job. I see a dirty girl, first. Yeah, no, say, see a dirty girl gone with man.
Huh?
I didn't know, say, Mark X man come pick up the dirty girl. Yeah, no. Me Shane.
The same brown chocolate.
Embarrass me.
I'm sure. You see what?
Make daddy go embarrass me. You know me feel hurt. But me not bother feel hurt again. And you feel hurt. Cause you Maggie born.
So what?
Yeah, who man
You sure you see her? You sure she
your
you see?
prostitute wife with the black and red hair and the bend no foot head so gone in a white mark X. I just
And she stopped do the work for you.
once a prostitute will always be a prostitute, Miss Charmaine. So I just come to deliver the message.
So you enjoying.
Me not enjoying it, but it's like the ancestors them send TT for prove the point. You know, hear what me and you just a talk about. And the ancestors and God send TT for prove it. And then me tell it to TT.
You know, call it your prostitute wife.
So I tell me say she really gonna do that?
You know, you're she gone in a market. And if I see what she wear, oh Jesus, come down here. One body rider will come up here so. And her titty in one and titty the show. Prostitute will always be a prostitute. You see, one time?
Yeah, come.
That's why me say TT is a better girl.
Oh, yeah, go.
You see how God work? God always provide a witness. You couldn't come at a better time. Markex.
Markex.
And she
They tell her the
changed.
license plate. The license plate is 7364 FY6.
Detective.
Yes, I truth me they tell you.
Well, you see, like how I find out the truth, don't give up hope, my girl. Don't give up hope.
Me go up, me father costly.
Alright. You know how him tan, man. You and him soon make up. Alright, little more. Oh, God. Go shop.
Miss Shamian, come back.
What do you know?
Me tired right now. He look a dirty thinking girl. See me on the board and I slap her fear bumper, but I saw me go on the man. But take a girl, man. Me say, look on the idiot. I mean, he want jump in a girl mouth, you know. Come me go say, hey girl. But me not bother do it. Me not bother do it, cause me not fight over. No, man. Look,
no.
All kill yourself out, girl. No, in my class.
Nobody raise your pressure. Here, me done talk to him. How are you pick up? How are you pick up sick too? Remember where you there?
Bob!
Excuse me.
Bob,
Hi, little miss. You coming up in people yard and you not even say hello. Plus, who give you permission for coming to my yard? Me send a call for Jezebel. You didn't hear me on phone order for Jezebel. Me no want no Jezebel in my yard.
Come on, I'm a man, yard, dirty girl.
You see the last time I look for you and tell you say good evening. You say you never see me, so I never think you really need a good evening now.
You in my yard. So come out to my yard. Bob normally go meet you out the street. Out the street you belong. A street worker you be. So go out the street.
Where you eat my son ever day in a life?
Dirty girl, excuse me, Shamian. Just back, I mean, I want me a swinging cloth. Me Shamian.
Me no want that violence in my yard.
Me Shamian, let me turn by your twin.
Girl, nobody make me tell you things.
I look at yourself front girl, we can't get on here just for hot top, not me.
Girl, at least
hey girl, come out of my man yard. And I'm
what is she?
Alright, don't move. Hey girl, come out of my man yard.
Alright, done with the banana leaf. I'm going to need it later. Him same choose she, so I'm gonna need the banana leaf to wrap himself.
Bob is there?
Bob not there. Bob there out the street.
Me just don't sit down pan bam bam.
Hey, Donny. Woo! Nine in my yard. Lord God, what is? Jesus, Papa Jesus. Oh, what is why?
Fire burning me. Fire.
Yes. Man, you have the right to money, boy. You have the right to money. You know, say you have responsibility. You don't have to. Huh? Yeah. You don't know, say you breathe, my daughter. Me see her vomit down the whole place.
Yeah, me know say she.
You think me a doctor, me have to the back of her and wipe up vomit and a assistant and a guarantee. Me not have the money. Right now, she want milk, she want fruit, she want every little thing you can give.
So did that man, I start walk back in about 1 time.
No, me no want to hear that in the car. No found no man on the go around and the breed people girl picking it and when belly start show and then push out the picnic and gone to backside. Some woman lucky enough if a man did they when they have the belly before them push out it. Some the belly not even grow. The moment they said to a woman said to a man, say, yo, I'm pregnant, the man say enough for me because he might run from responsibility. I still no found a man tan. Eh? Shook their ball like a idiot.
Just go and take care of it.
Say you're still there with the same girl. And I chat to she same time. But she careless. Every time I tell him to tap open your foot. Like when time somebody have pin up clothes on wire with clothespin. Lock your damn foot. Be a see you clothespin in the pack. Don't make the boy squeeze your head and go in on you. See, left him with belly now. Who could tell him now to run the left him?
Me nah run no man, just go and take care of it time being.
Oh! My job was to raise her till she 18. Now she 18, now your turn. Me not take care of nobody problem. You see problem and stress? Me not ready for it now. Me I get whole. You hear what I say?
You start working at 1 week time, so you go and look after her till 1 week come. Till the pay day come in the 1 week.
Oh, you go on there.
Yeah.
Little Mario. Hello. I'm saying Mario, my friend. Mario. Yeah, hard to. Yeah, like I want to put it in look tight fire still. But that me tap yourself out. How much weeks now you're not talking? Weeks on top of weeks you're not talking to. What is the problem?
You say, you then a man care after me and you left. After me left you, same place I left you. Me say you gone now.
I lie. Me better no man care. Me tap with me type of right. You ever come to me and talk to me, Bob? When they know our relationship,
yeah, but true, me know
communication is the key. Used to. Anyways, and I come to you about still.
Hungry. She hungry, man. She hungry.
You can't buy it.
Oh, I'm tired.
Me pregnant.
Jesus!
Oh, me think me can't hold your belly.
You what?
Me pregnant. Me could have breathe. Me no move. Me can't breathe. Where you going to?
Worries tonight. Worries tonight.
What problem?
Worries in the dance.
What happened?
Welcome to Jet 2 Blue, where you have to mind two picnic one time.
I mean, you want to look at room I've grown, but I don't believe it. You say, TT attack.
Yes. And breathe me daughter. Yes. It breathes me daughter.
Because
yeah.
Me say you're gonna carry man so me put her up on the side.
I never gonna no care with no man. You can ask my friend Kena.
To me say you're gonna
hold.
Put her up on
Hold.
the side.
Now you are two picnic for men. Listen.
One picnic.
My daughter now must suffer the consequence now, you know. So me have to know your whole generation. Me have to know your mother.
Hold up, hold me up, man.
You're not even sure she pregnant.
Me pregnant, me been a vomit, I have morning sickness, I made a skin like a gig.
Wait, pregnant first.
Me believe you walk with the country, I believe you walk with the country.
Ask her how much line in Buddha say 4 lines.
A 2 line in there.
Oh.
You think me dance? Matter of fact, come on.
More I know your mother. More I know your father. More I know the whole generation.
Me know your mother, me know your father, but me know your mother live. Come on, me dear.
Come. Because no boy now breathe my daughter. How me not touch out this tip to you? What?
Mommy.
I'm going to never see you right alone.
Oh.
What is? Eh? What is?
I want to know each other.
What are you doing in my yard?
Oh, me even know say your yard.
You know what?
Eh? Oh, me even... Me and I used to do business back then. Me and I...
business.
Eh?
Nobody come in my yard, come chat me business. What you do ya?
What me I do ya?
What you do ya? Come perplex me.
Me have crisis for me and right now that's why I'm there. Me never know that you live here. Me call out your mother for me. Me never know that you live here. Eh?
See my mother here.
Yeah. She don't like me.
And my son in my yard.
No, listen.
And 2 people there that are not supposed to there. So I don't want to know what go on. What you doing in my yard?
Let me ask you a question. I beg to vex with me because me was the most attractive man on the road. Eh? And every one of the prostitutes in the like me. Eh? Tell me now. Tell me too.
You're not looking in the mirror.
She used to ride on the bridge.
Oh,
Cause you used to
Some
work
of me-
on the bridge when you like me.
That's why you come cross my spirit, you
Some
know.
of me they work on the bridge. I am burn her out.
She was one of the women when me fall in love with me. Me say me I tell you, me did love her so much.
Chaka true, you're train too. You're train station.
Was my train station closed, your train station wide open.
So-
That's why I don't want you with my son. And son is one thing to learn from your mistake. Is a next thing to learn from somebody else's. May I try make you not learn from my mistake.
Hello, my mistake now. So I'm pregnant, Miss Charmaine. I know you don't like me, but I'm pregnant. You look shocked like you don't know already.
Me not look shocked. It just puzzle me if you say, yeah, me pastime, what you call it, me long time woman that me used to buy.
Stick up in. Pregnant for who?
For Bobby, sure.
I two pick me off in my
Do a test, my son. Okay, you don't know if a jacket, tie, coat, and
Where I tell the
Wellington
man say,
boots.
man? Where I tell the man say? I two pick me off in mine right now too.
Two
See
pick
her
me.
and feel me pick me when breed. Him breed me daughter TT, one me brown daughter. Me one daughter when me have a cherish.
We are push me. We are tell me something for them.
Are your daughter?
Listen, listen.
TT, are your daughter?
Of course.
How that little pretty girl could come from you?
And my daughter, her mother brown. Her mother was a prostitute, the same lady where you used to the upper bridge too. And my daughter, and she me moving with until he left me down and sell again.
Oh, Lord God.
How I'm saying?
Lord God.
What do you? Huh? What do you?
My son, I have to tell you something. I never want to tell you like this.
No.
Jesus Christ.
You don't understand her. God no. Trust me.
Pray your father.
What?
This a man.
This man, as him say, we did have to do what me did have to do back in the day. And him come with him sweet mouth. And me did think say me could have stopped and stop the business and come out of that the world. And him breed me. And him did promise me the world before, you know. But then you see when the money me find out so me pregnant, that take up with my best friend and your auntie too. And me say, no sir, God will help me and my belly.
So,
And in all them years, me say me pray would never fight.
so when me come to you, until I say me they sleep too much, and me say to you, say, me feel like you're pregnant, and you say, no, I'm your best friend, the breed. And when me go to your best friend and can't go at that, and she not pregnant, when me come back, me not see up on the bridge again. Girl, like a kite. You know, come back or hell. You come hide. You know,
Hold on, Kakafat. Titi, are your daughter?
yes,
You just a pick up?
Baba, your son.
yes. Me blow out.
God, God.
Oh my. You see? If
I'm
you
a
just
sister.
make him breed me.
Your
Yes.
your sister.
You know, walkless.
My Miss Charmaine.
Lord.
Walkless.
And she there set me up on her.
Just, hello. If you need just make me tell
Boy.
you little boy, this would happen.
You have to catch my breath.
Every
Yes.
time him class me out. Anyways,
So,
me I can't go and go lie down. The
Go.
baby is warming up.
so, let me ask you a question. So your own mother push it to your doom to breed your sister.
Me tell you something, pick her up. Me never tell you something. You Jesus
But look now,
Christ.
like a God that push me away. Me tell her
Hello.
no. She pretty yes, but me tell her
Hello.
no. I have to say.
Miss
Oh,
Charmaine.
I want
Miss
you to
Sharon.
say, this
Miss
is a
Sharon.
abomination. Somebody have to
Sharon.
die. It's either she or you. No, no,
You
no.
mad? When you get rid of him, who take care of my baby? Miss Charmaine.
Jesus.
Don't get your heart attack because I'm going to have the house.
Hey, cut out that. Cut out that. Are you a
The
fault?
house here.
Which one's my fault? If
Bye.
you never full of lie, where you go? Which you full
house.
of never lie? You could have known say you have a son and a raise a family, and you do this to it.
Hello, me I'm going to the house.
Just see
Which
your
house you can't go in the no house? You what? No, sir.
I buy me used to buy a friend
So my
already.
problem.
Oh
I
God.
buy me used to buy
My
a friend
problem,
already.
Miss Charmaine.
One night he gonna link me. I'm tell her, listen.
Stop the whole entire world.
No.
Let me ask Familia something. You said she need us make her son stay with me because me not related now, me and she not related. Why she never make her son stay with me? She push her son to there with her sister. I know the sister bring me and say me I'm going to the house because I am pregnant.
I don't care where you want to go. You want to go up on the stove, you want to go in the shower.
But don't worry yourself, I know I'm going to do it. See you? You don't have to find me. Because remember, say courthouse don't nice and I don't dare me and bring you. This now go so you're lucky. You're your abomination.
My abomination? It's one abomination. Because somebody got to die.
Don't die him. Me need to take care of the baby, my dear. Bye.
Listen to me. And you cause this. I'm telling you, oh, you cause this. Your mother caused him an ID for you. Your mother used to work on the bridge. Right?
Yeah, they are cost people and I work on the bridge too.
I buy so much. I used to love it, son. I used to love it so much. Oh, me love it. Every time I go on the bridge, I shall loan me a buy. Until one day, me go there, I can't find no condom. I say, no condom, you know. She said, no, man, I trust you. Raw dog. Right?
No, tell the truth. Tell the truth. Me always use condom. Don't tell up and tell lie.
Right.
Me use condom and you pinprick the condom for me. That tell lie.
Alright, we bust the condom. Because you always check it. So if you check it and put it on, we prick it. We make sure my fingernail like I'm going to prick it. And we fly off in there and we think, you know, normal when woman turn up, you run down. And no, you know, they don't breathe after that. Most of the time. Some of the time you're lucky, some of the time you're not lucky. Boom. 1 week, 2 weeks ago, I feel myself tired. Come to her, I said to her, I said, you're pregnant? How you pregnant? How you pregnant? Where? How you want to mash up my business? Mash up my business. So, you see, in this, you know, me move to the brown one. His friend, I'm start talking to his friend and living with his friend. And in bad mind and jealousy and envy, she left the bridge, pack up. Me not see her nowhere, not even in the area. Me check her house, then tell me that she move out and got, yes, you.
Me bad man, and if you never pop the condom, none of this would have happened in the first place. And you pop the condom, you know, say me no use, they don't do nothing with the rubber. And you pop the condom, and then...
Only is an abomination, you know.
And him a put it on me. Me know what me was. And me change my life. That not change. That was a past, son. Me dash with that life.
You know where you go call that the picnic, you know? Huh? Sister or brother. And never we call it back uncle.
Sick are you. Are you? You cause all of this. And I put blame on me. At least me try change my life. Me repent to God. And me turn my life around. And me butter. And me and my son, I never even come find you for a penny. Look how big him be before you find out.
You know what me I do right now? I go up my yard, you know. I pack my daughter bag. I send him backside down here. I send him somewhere else.
Send her where you want to send her.
Me no want no picnic come look for me and call me grandpa
and daddy, because you don't know daddy neither. Much less grandpa. You don't deserve that the title.
What time I go call me grandpa?
Jesus Christ.
No, what is dark to be? You see how your mother do me, yeah? Anything what happen, blame me for your mother. Remember me tell her that.
Well, I can't believe it.
Son,
are you a cussing little girl?
Me never want you to go down the same line.
Are you a forcing partner? Are you a forcing party? David is a nice girl.
Me tell you if you talk to the girl, me never tell you if you push it in. So hold on. Are the two of them you not use condom with? Are you are the damn idiot? Ooh. All the story me tell you, you don't use condom. You don't use no condom, Bob. How much woman you breed out there? You don't use condom. That is the biggest idiot. You're lucky said just breed and no disease you come in with. Jesus Christ.